Liberty FM.
Abuja ma mensa yo how a hankrofo pa. Amanfo de omo how eba na electricity company of Ghana nkasa so omo so omo how. But omo wo menchen wa ha de ene ye beka ni nyina. Clive ewa ha. Boss, good morning. Clive. It is saying, I am waiting call. We speak.
Adomo.
Nice one.
No say.
Adom.
Yes.
Aha. Boss one. Me am a uncle. Mr. Kansa?
Yes, uncle.
Apo me.
You want to know Uncle one Bible.
Kakra.
Yeah.
We be under control. This selection now come.
Ayo.
Nice one.
Going I will be a bonivio.
Yeah, they rather say. Zalizo.
Ja.
Let's say.
Yamiadom.
Nice one. Oh, technical department here. Me bow ho because me ankasa me wo how. The other time, Mr. Kwanza explaining but still, and teneme, and the people do still call and be pestering me with questions and answers from me. I mean, a human who ECG. But more ahead, I hope then there will be an answer the can or future. But Mr. Kwanza, the other time when you didn't come about adjustment.
Yeah.
Yes.
No mechanic.
So explanation at the man.
There.
Man, a patching there.
Yeah.
Or ya there. Or Honum Sunday Ubu or na Merchiano on the Portuan Casatane.
Missing there. Or you're part of the billing system.
Part of the billing system.
Yes.
In your
today, Babakashi there.
But I will draw closer to the microphone.
Total this month. Or you're part of bill.
Okay.
Billing process. Adjustment.
Or you're part of billing system.
And adjustment in your two. Adjustment debit. Adjustment credit. Into whichever way you fall yourself in. If we have given you over reading, we'll pass adjustment to credit you. If we have under reading your bill,
that is where I mean passing the under readings, because you have people who go rounds and be reading the meters all day every month.
And that's because you are saying there like everything's supposed to be normal, but it's a human institution.
But a human institution and say, "I'll me fee, take me meter readings." Until at the end of the month, my alpha no there, no whisker.
No, what I'm saying there is a human institution. There's an error, and that is what the word is.
Where does the error come from?
Everything has a word and that has a meaning. It's there. You can't swerve it.
But this one, so are you saying that the Nippon could take a reading or the other from Zunabea?
No, on so many ways. You see, Obi Honma, Wangasa Umitano. I'm a Oshuakan, Manenim, no Massimpo on Bay.
Mitanish, now Mitanish, how will I know? Oh, yes,
and who be that? Why
I do agree. No, why that translucent type of
more eye problem, side problem. Side problem is only to identify that this is a side problem I have. A boy more that time reading the cramp, he didn't go with his space. I mean, there's so many errors. We cannot explain it. I don't know, you're not sick. You go to hospital because you are sick, and the sickness comes out of the bad behavior. It is
because of the fact that the meter no, maybe an enemy no why blame.
No, what I'm saying is one. Don't take it one, but it's so many numerous problems that comes about this thing. And the meter now you use now, sometimes it can get error. You see, your baby a friend. So what problem? One problem can bring about such things.
Yes,
your baby a friend cramping. It means that meter no honma oko.
Yes,
and all these things until at the time I then go for readings no obokona readings no pop up here. So before you see
now say on pop up here, what is there no nipa no bohunu we read,
and then that is what is there no if you pick it and then it comes like a or yeah with the more than and because of
And so we read more than that's what I've used.
that is why they build you on what they have seen.
Yes.
And then when they go in and see that it's more than what they have given you, what do they do?
That is where you credit me.
No. If it is more than what,
I've been built.
yes,
Uh-huh.
then it's a credit. Okay, it's a
Yes.
credit to you.
Yes.
But if it is less than,
Yes.
then we have to, because if it is less than, then it means that you are going against CCG. But you see, one thing besides there, my brother, let's be fair to ourselves. Wana not there, work there. Mimite or back a crab and Timiko ECG. Catch him one. Just mention one.
A binyo.
A bingo.
Now so work a crab that mutiai.
No, what I'm saying is that oh, one casino abantina people.
Yes.
But American there. So back a crab agitum. They young upon why. Boba Cassidia easy for system. And I am not.
Nanyan.
Yo. Until my patching there. Say a human ye no. Say ye yama. Yen Ghana Funala or Ghana Funa Yema. Ya yen ye na and from them banner and quiet. Na say you know Ugu another baby tots man.
Good ongu.
Oh. And ye try ye who you may pia or Ghana.
But easy ongu da.
Oh, Ghana Railways one okay than Ghana Railways.
It's on a transport service.
One look at a offending telecom obogu.
Telecom ongi.
Telecom.
Oh,
Where is the
when why telecell here? What one?
Telecel.
No.
first one? No, there was no any MTN. There is no Tigo.
Mm-hmm.
And a telecom.
Yes.
Ghana Post and then
Competition.
Competition.
Uh-huh.
And that is why it makes you, because all losses near more.
Yes.
It will make you to collapse.
Yes.
We are tasseful. It was tasse, but we. You see, so let's be fair to ourselves. If Sebu madam more 20 cities and upper, na mistakenly, my coaching
200.
I got 200.
Say hallelujah.
Who's hallelujah?
Yeah.
Bring me balance.
Why is there bring balance?
Hey, but when I won't enjoy you.
Actually.
I will be got two chapel correction now. I'm not only 10 cities now. Or your mistake or coaching 100 cities. Or call back or coaching 90 cities.
Wow.
Yes, because I'm not to 10 cities.
10 cities. Okay.
Nah, don't go to 100 cities. I don't go because other than that, number only did for bear 1 month.
Yes. I honors or your bond.
Or born.
Yes.
There.
Or your bond there. Woma when you seek out the bedi. Never walk a dami radi.
No. Only intention don't eat 10 cities.
Sorry, 10 cities.
Ayo.
Into the 90.
Yeah.
Yeah, one jar.
One only.
Yeah.
Into a bon.
Ah, one yeah, bono. Mama ida kanye de senka wankaji.
Ayo.
Aha.
Ayo, my brother. And to the Sian Kwangoji. And then gardener da Horma. Oh, bear bon. Which means that you cannot recover.
But Mr. Kwanzaa, how can I be using a bulb?
No,
Now,
you I say you cannot the ECG and then the in energy sector you cannot determine them use one bulb.
Yes.
Yes. Make them know say abuan ha yenko into 2 meters. Into an amount be ebien another basa be ebien. You see a lot of them I will use one bulb, but one light in 24
yes,
hours.
24 hours.
And if I use often a TV, and then at the end of the day, me light no me control now. It doesn't matter. Obi with the freezer, he control it.
Yeah.
Obi with fridge, normal fridge, he doesn't control it. You see that
the basic line is the controlling.
Yes, for usage of the electricity, nobody can determine it. That is why when it comes to electricity, nature with fear, ECG should not mingle themselves in that one.
But I have bills all ban one person on outrageous to you.
It's what you consume, it's what you get. And still,
the other time you were here, somebody called and was saying, the bill around 500 million or so.
500 million?
Yes.
What does it mean?
Sika, 500 million.
Ghana cities.
Not Ghana, encanted.
Yeah, no, I can't say.
50,000.
So, can you? Now 50,000, I don't know.
Or your baba, or you too.
No. You see, that is one thing. We should be able to know monthly consumption and then accumulated and now obra 18 go on mam can them na yentase you fantim you see 18 be no go on ma about 50,000 Ghana cedis.
Yeah, I agree and
we soon be share no da mam call disconnection e bi and da obudi one obi ne bill about 260 Ghana. Koko no baako na tuntum say
yes 260
260
yes
wa accumulate am 13,000 and
okay.
chete 200 and something no for 13,000 or how many a month
watch it
you see and opinion dey be do one no about 60 and 100 and something no work 8,000 anya baby o yesu e kwa hu ya market enemy and look at the stores you go offending DPI2
yeah
kuhwe adina na oton ho oton offending ade offending oil odugu car mu and what sembe na am 6,000 oil na 1 gallon ya.
Okay.
How can you make there? But
so the accumulation
60 cedis and you wait until go am wide them over there and old chum say na akoso no them sunsum bon boss yem no ya adeba kra
to the accumulation normal oil kese
edum na akoso no because he felt like there nobody's man in this community and no go to no champion. You know, them sunsum fin na sunsum bon no see mu no. On no the madness. I look at 50,000 as you bring ECG maybe about 50,000. Who buy a barbering shop no 50,000.
But at the end of every month, we'll be in a bill about flat rate. Every month 800, every month 1,000 on cost on mafum.
No, it's
static
on that one.
Yes.
It can be the meter no on Yejuma, which you need to report. So that we'll go and change it for you. It can be there.
But we need mechanism to detect faulty meters our home side. Yes, Anchor.
No one can say am I one can say there BBI perfect there able to detect.
Oh, but the fact that
man office 62,000 customers and all of them between whom meters what is happening to it. I can't do that. No camera to that. I don't think that we are simple will be able to detect in customers of 60,000 what they are doing. No, I don't think so.
So you have 62,000 customers.
Yes, 62,000. Nanche onye you also ngutino. You were Central, you were Western, you were Ashanti, and then you were Western North.
Yes.
So 4 regions with 19 and how many districts? 9 districts. So we were operating within 9 districts. Easy. And to know every district what is happening. I mean fun better. So operating a system about to know who there meet you said that then won't you be into electricity bill obi amobi andeka na yenyes kan bi na fan kototo da me man bi na francis so be ni wi asimpa e betuma invent new one na
masana ba but mamon call listo on so listo tell me the major challenge amokom and saying
but
percent me the major challenge amokom as ECG when it comes to the technical field any amount for kita hudi amonu omudi no challenges am more experience and saying
all right with that I think say the first challenge near customers are involved in illegal connections. Yes, illegal connections. That's one of our major challenge.
But Ukasa no from to be
customers are involved in illegal connections.
Okay.
Yeah, that's one of our major challenges. And then customers are the car they know vividly say the car, but unless say we chase them before us and these two challenges now let me account for now.
How do we address that?
It all boils down to attitude. Yes, customers somewhat here without ECG the country cannot progress, and if the businesses will also go on. Say ECG to makumaso. Say business away without ECG you can't run a business, and so they should be fair to us. At least let me say you've consumed something. Say billing back at least you can walk to the office, then as of it we prepare something for it, then you pay. Now some also think that they are so smart that sometimes they do some bypass. One person won't be used so much into now my bypass. Like yesterday, for instance, we caught a lot of people. Some credible people are wondering say like so for credit my Sadian, but
credible
like in contest.
Yeah,
the
I
person is a
understand.
pastor.
Yes, I agree.
But then,
But a credible,
yes,
yes, credible people.
like you don't expect them
Yes,
to
to-
be
yes.
doing that. A very huge facility.
Who
Only one
realize?
room bakupe na fermented them. The rest of the rooms in fermented them. And at the end of the day, they still expect ECG to deliver doing this at your premises. I think the attitude of the customers is yes, right. Because you cannot need running business, young coffee people maybe bills and running business in it's legal connections and then strict payment of bills, things to help the company progress.
Clive, then I'm a illegal connection. Do I speak English to you? Because
Obi be illegal connection because per se one share the right amount at the end of the month. You find say at the end of the month, ECG produce a bill that based on your consumption, about maybe 1,000 cedis. But because we share say 1,000 cedis, no won't mean share, and I won't person won't share no. Oba find a way. Now won't share 1,000 cedis at the end of the month. We say na business no good because power no ECG produce power. ECG tower baby. Now they turn. And they say, oh, we are at the end of the month. No difference, we are no ECG in team. By ECG, I say ECG chess our power no use here. So at the end of it, and meanwhile, your operational costs, your maintenance costs, BBI, is kasem. And say, but we say, BB will honor ECG, say, and your ma, your customers. By intimate here because it needs. The truth is that ECG are buying company, anka ECG and Crank company. Maybe some of the areas no crampo anka ECG will close some down because and are viable and are profitable. But they are buying company. Power so acquire basic necessity. Won't mean ye be our we are without light. Kufo no kuta. At the end of this no say light cough, won't mean charge, won't mean your calls. Be all the year business. Won't mean ye. And the power acquire very, very essential to all customers. Until yendi nukre no yen share light bills say at the end of my year ban what challenges here wo human institutions like me boss kan no from so betimi aba at any time either from here and now from wo customer no over office you ever find the best way na solve this problem no but so also wo kwa power no now they are your ujuma yeyi boa company.
And there is an error. The fault is from ECG. Let's take it, sir. Just as Mr. Kwanzaa was telling me, meter na bohono. Meter no faulty. Me na mehu. Me some meter faulty. It is ECG and also who some meter faulty. Into faulty meter no. Ema me bill I was say mo de mama no. The piano, a mamma bill, and I came to you, reported, and you came. When you came, you saw said the meter no, a meter number the born 40, and I generated that bill on Eddie Mammy. And I must say, no, fee bill no about at least normal. The emphasis is not about 10,000. She said it be about 2,000, for which I am ready to pay. But meter no na emma 40 billion ebi accumulate agu be 4 months sa bill no matua but mbe ye no eso ati sa ekara na me bono se mantumi antua who bears that
no way na ebetimi I work on it.
Way in what way?
Oh no, definitely no won't mean solve on the customer neighbor officer.
Yes.
Based on sa canon I would say meter near faulty. Still your mouth huge bills.
Yes.
Say you rectify sa problem that bill no aba form. Can na ewo ho no. You find a way and yeah be bia na ECG G sika free customer ho. Sometimes customer so G sika free ECG ho.
To find a way.
Yeah, exactly.
A way no what do you mean?
No, meter near faulty.
Yes.
Yeah, I detect say meter near faulty.
Yes.
That mean based on the bill na the mao no bill na ye accurate bill na the mao.
Yes.
And the mean passes our cost ni the mao say chinchinanchi chiasako this. Obi ani ho na obetima yes.
Somebody reported a case to me, and I made the person call Mr. Kwanzaa. I remember I came to you, and me report to Mr. Kwanzaa. Mr. Kwanzaa said, "Mani pananka some friend." And I made the number Emma Nipano Efreno, and then the home como. Emma Nipan the documents a koi. Mr. Kwanzaa Mamba is some mitano. Mamba is some mitano. A bono about normal. Nti na eka ewo mitano so saka no na wosutia.
No, like me boss ma omo bese samita.
Yes, almost samita.
Bibia ye normal. Kada da na ewo ho no before mo samita.
Yes.
Ono ye be find a way na ya solve that problem. Ono no de an issue say CSD ba handle sa problem.
Oh, okay.
Oba ye a schedule officer na obahwe na ya like me kan enye bibia na ECG sika free customer ho.
We just sika free ho dey
free ECG.
Mr. Kwanzaa. Yes, sir.
That is why the word adjustment is there.
Okay.
So when something like this occur,
yes,
you pass adjustment for the customer.
Okay.
So if it is true, if it is only true, we need to go and I'm not there. One priest, is Yama.
Who you not Asia?
No, at that time.
Okay, you were there. Okay.
As a district manager. So one customer by on the Accra boy, he knows
sure.
gas Ghana gas EB.
What's up?
And I'll compare to PUIC there. Ne
meter
no or back and ne down your one room, two through one room, but all condition, all fridges, or yama, or yama, young guy. So he complained and then we went in, and then the PUIC instructed that Yankobo test meter on the meter because we felt at that time, but they didn't come to me. They went to the district technical officer. They go ahead and change the meter. That one in Anna. So when it comes to me at the time of passing adjustment, that the one I have to endorse there. Truly, you need to pass adjustment for the customer. So not knowing that, what I saw is that guy no them now. Okobo test meter. He is also fast. A year, obi one minute
yeah, steps ahead.
Yes, he was not using the air conditioning. A lot of things he was even up to iron. He was ironing in somebody's room.
Oh wow!
Yeah, and if you consume about 500 units a month,
better
about 50 to 20 units. So you look at the amount of money that will have to pass adjustment for the guy. He can stay there for 10, 20 years. He will not pay electricity bills. So I done some time, That crow. Anapa, me sorry, me quit my by 6:30 Anapa AM. Before I move the guy not to a different room. Mankasa. At time he is not putting up air condition. I didn't talk. So I watch him for about 1 week, and I study things he's doing there. Na me fan so me tia onka na so watch mom. So PUIC came and then they said I should go, we'll come and sit down and then talk. And then they said we should pass adjustment. I said no, we can't pass adjustment. You see why? I said guy no, since you go meter no, on use in Yamana. If they like, it should even be there. A month who use 20 units. Be there. Also the air condition, also the fridge, also and you see the water within a few hours will be there. No, the 20 units cannot be covered. So if we cannot do that thing, also no on transport, I'm saying okay, and transport no problem. I know you get off, but at the time we ain't because could so everything near here for just 1 hour. What will happen, my brother? Just 1 hour, and then the guy have put on maybe more than a year. I'm saying when you have a problem, you have to come and tell us, and then advise you well. But man, for criminality from Bawadjim, you see, you ask me what do you foul? But to be not you know no the town is why we are me in call outside. So we are very fast on it. Everything that you bring it out, we need to investigate it. If my people go and do it and I'm not satisfied, I still have to go to field and see what is happening, and then to just advise you on that. Until on yeah better them. Tell the run dog the same thing, Mr. Koholiga, and then Penifo, I am from
illegal connection.
Oh, Massa. And painful. Adasa. Painful. What do you impose in Malambo? In German, I mean, and how do you make sense? And now, Oboaba, the everyday Ababo. Now, what would the team there? We are from Women. When you are moving straight to Junase and other Yoso Township, look at some of the businesses that they do. How many people patronize that business? That you have air conditioning for them 8 or 10 hours continuous. Can you get money to pay? And you put on fridge. Otsido on your head. What are you doing? Obi nsuka cloton na ko fridge kunkring today. A body fun kokosim, dead body kokosim. How? You carry yourself and you tell ECG is not doing well, ECG is not doing well, and then someone turn puna fridge now that got to be so on.
Or don't go to import more.
Much more than it's never turn for the whole day.
Okay. Salisto,
Uncle.
you are always on the field. Yanshe, na more about illegal connection ne ho kroneba. These situations, they are and it's bound to happen. It will always happen. As Ghanaians, ECG yadia, abanejuma wuchu naze. Say, my ba ECG, my ba ne o se me nyina Mr. Listo will aba mountains or buy the illegal connection no kwa na ekoso. Near or say no, you have to do it. And we are just as Mr. Kwansa Ekano, Rebecca say ECG for no. But I think say a drew baby I was someone so Mojuma send ya count human face no a bamukakra. Now Yansha recently Institute Totoi experience need to say and why this I don't know whether say I say muscle microphone yes testing mic 1 2 1 2. It's more or less like muscle more testing easy, testing light. Now we are there. Zalisto, I don't know more ya last dead because can I do rough. Now we are there. Zalisto, what are
you maybe you find yourself to be, you know.
Yes, sir.
It's bound to come.
Oh, okay.
Because your forest team. Takra they have many people on there will do their brother only 15, but I hand is more. So
Nancy will promote backyard garden.
Yes, backyard. Yes. But there who the level of backyard.
Oh, okay.
And where to do what? You see, backyard garden doesn't mean that Ahumana say Nekodia, a brother, Ekodia could be no backyard.
Okay.
So whenever in Sunu from Makasiba for Bia and the Hanum because of where the healing area no say Osha Munima in Sun from Mane Bar the and to force see now come to you. And sometimes in Sunu Ponto or Yoso, but in from before Yoso no, it's more than the Sunu Ponto Yoso because healing no it brings that wings to for us. And see, I did your brother na kubina in na limited na dina. I did should be a the uncle for Asudibia from there. You see, and then they are in Suye. Look at your co baby, many engineer. Okay, but on account. So, well, I'm not too good. I'm very dangerous. But I will be somewhere, man.
Oh, which side?
Oh, yeah, Dr. Hospital. And this is a good day will be a wusisia. And in Diana had no why could so better. And this is a Kahomano Chomo. My home so from an on so home kakra. And one for the mad infant children cook. I come here divert to park with different angle. Now, yend schedule is has become a twofold. You both here, other day to ya. And I would more. yedu mo membo man so dan po nke de ebeso ho ye bo monitor
eso so wo ho de I know they illegal
ye bo monitor
illegal
and hanom no why so no won sisi ya isi na mfem de ye bo monitor if some me nipa bi be ufie na ropa obo epu a wo de maso ante but man ko ye bi because you are customer. That is one. And then hen transformers na osisi mbiambia de kronum no ye pede ye ka che won nde ya ka che won da
transformers
brode enima ho den de bra ye ne fie no
yes
obi ni ho kwan obiala oni ho kwan
do people temper
the people go there
the transformer
engineer ka che there you know masa they go there and pay people one city
na nya transformer na what them red a danger in that bona
oh no one danger
people go to temper
and okwa I don't know se fuse no ko offer bibinti na orko off into all culture there as the bra wona num yo as me go for paracetamol it's not good. You need to go to doctor because it's a signal something is going to happen on your legs, and that is why it's giving you that pain. So the pain is a signal, so you have to go and they look at it and then they give you the correct medicine that can cure that thing coming. But the next time is when you stroke. Yeah. Because it's an indication that uti oya, only die or bleh, only that go to hospital. Don't go there and take paracetamol to cure that pains. Now, say transformer no ko offer. Yende ne there, all me signal. The baby what touch ma o baby. Inti on huni ye. Inti yen konko yuhwe. Yen so yakwa ne diffuse no ye dashe. Admit one maka na dash. Every year. And you so kuti them bonno akoduma why don't adisua that mean.
Oh, I see.
Every year the number of transformers say yes or no. As at now, baby home po one transformer should improve. Ye be go
replace.
Won't tell electricity bill no. Yes say yen blank e den ke diko say light no. E da akoko ye the akoko revenue. Who you say transformer no say why you so akoko so no akoko so. But spending 1 hour or 30 minutes to wait for electricity to come and fuse the light, or maybe in the night, wait by 8 p.m. or 9, then you wait for electricity in the morning to come and rectify the problem. Then one has a you know. Look at the number of transformers that we have in the system.
Okay.
And more than half people have on if this time. Some places when they will call you it means that the thing is worse. Obedient in there, oh me from momentum, oh me from my momentum I there I could say adna. And I could say adna. This time no, yeah, balance with you say yeah more on the penny, the penny which from this time up to next week end. If some engineers and work out. No, come there will bridge any fuse. We go to job office. That's starting book. Yeah, the BI community be. If say yako ni who there will bridge any of the fuses, with the whole of them will sleep in darkness. Oh yeah,
I see.
I just say no dosun. Person ko dosun. Yeah, that I am say baby you could do. I don't know more than 300,000. And we'll be no one in the carpentry shop and somewhere another. No cost 50,000 Ghana now or this one. I can't know 300,000 go to transformer. Can he buy it? And the same thing. I quite have rest in the hey, and look at the money. You see, a main engineer some time ago, you call meeting. No, ma'am, one quotation. Also, Kremobin preach. Also, I had a for 100. Oboko abonsem jim. Above for 100. Oboko abonsem jim. What does it? It means above for 100 no. No. They didn't talk about it. Oh, they saw them in Gofuna, them 100 no. We had the boy from. Why you born? They didn't talk about it because
that,
they think
that your connivance.
yes, they think they are not the people and they cannot talk about it.
Yes.
Into all kono no na eko.
Yeah.
Ano na eko. Nti say your man mu na se yebadwen de bon yebe hen ritual. Hen amambra na eya yebe dia. Then all of us will go to hell.
Okay. Mr. Kwanza, my burning tea. Madam, one I've eaten into the sports guys time for over 30 minutes. So, Clive, as you're leaving us, Kakrabe now with the age, those listening to you this morning.
Yeah,
because I had wanted the people to also call in and contribute
exactly,
onto the program.
Exactly.
But time.
My boss can or can be beat say customers free. Now must say maybe yamban tempty. The truth is that ye juma no baby ya juma ye. Either ye fault, they attend to fault, or ye maintenance juma. And to free, enfani say wo free me na me wo baby ye juma. Man say me wie sa baby de me ye na mintimi njai sa juma no na maba wo ho no. Enti say omo free a omo wo abotre kakra bi mai. Because definitely I will have because of customer no. Enye ye pen e wa juma customer nti na e wa enti bibi sa na omo to omo bo kakra bi mai definitely be attend to omo and I'm also say fault is see anajo a maybe issue ato na light akọ off at that time no when say ahoma no sometimes e hihye duamu bibi abu ato line so na this is no so daytime enye daytime I won't me hu sa de no wo ko share transformer fees no call for now so mean dam musa this I mean who obi na wakwa ya ama me nipa ni ba ya ama na wanya wo light no but fault ne da so wo transformer no bre maybe before daytime no transformer no na asay so a eteki transformer ye bibi say fuse na echo off na ye wo bi wa ha transformer share ana asay a this your report na ya true proposal for a replacement emba nim ya your communities be omo transformer say more than 1 month yentimi anya replacement ama omo ente ya omo to omo boka kra bi mai because omo nti na e wa ha
Salisto
uncle
Kakrabe na also di
uncle madase nyam pesa me kan say ECG and in France Ghana has a open meter akofia. It's only one place na say woko. Any ECG office. But a different here pa ECG office near meter. And ma obi enkoda da bontin say o meter bi ho. Ma me say obi an entem. There be. O hia meter bra ECG office. Oba ye lady bi ho. Front desk lady no on say hu ni first. Afeni obi an obeka kire ho. Men kwa abon asa ECG enko jimita a free ECG no china di asemba ho a before you come to office to complain the mestre say ECG office pe na jimita enya asa ECG.
All right,
that's it.
Mr. Medas technical person this technical manager and you know edi nkoma yera listo and what in kano Mr. Kwanza den so ne ono ya me man ye na na what town and Clarence so dem ne share pa ba de nkasa. I hope we will meet today too. Oh. Yes. What question? Maybe say one more. Ask them. Don't worry. Talk.
Boss.
Yes, sir.
The caution is say.
Yes, sir.
Na boss will come about a meter.
Meter. Okay.
Me baby me wono. E hono mu MP say wo cheche meters.
MP.
Yes. 80.
Oh, there is no say MP. Nti yemfa
oni west.
Enya hasem but I'm saying
oni west na no. Yeah. Was wo cheche meters.
But to ni ono so can say bra ECG.
Ono say so per meter.
Bra ECG.
Ko ECG. Inside per corner wo cheche meters. Wo mo be hold responsible and answer mo be dey.
Yes. Yes, sir.
MP so what is a meters I there MP no the listener or the brain
Or the brown, okay.
MP be about the meters no I there or the one hour per meters no or the one or the brain now or the brain we are ahen na yɛbɛkɔ abɔnten na yɛakɔ capture meters no which means the meters no yɛnim meters na ɔde ba out no nti the main put it and on put the back can put the city and then no meters na MP no put the ɔde ba no and then no sisia no from last regime de ba this regime what they do in there what the meters na abra ECG no nangasa wakɔfa ne list na nada wama yakɔtwetwe din no then ni akɔcha mo ahen nangasa na yɛbɔ meters no another contractor yɛbɔ contractor no abo but yɛ meter no wɔ yɛ system no mu the reason why ka the masem ne there sɛ kɔfa meter no wɔ outside sɛ MP no bɔ the meter no ba bɛkyekyɛw na sɛ oni yɛ system no mu a we can capture you
okay
but obey yaw o ma me na ɔtena class na sɛ wɔn yɛ tenses wɔkɔtɔ mbɔl wedi no na ewie na kaka chen de obi ba ton meter no ma no obagen 5 cedis ECG oba capture ihe so account need mo no or the same thing like 5 cedis na la echo man to kono bo enti why do I don't want to them frame enje o ma na ko and I hwempa and afan po abron first no use light no problem first no use light no problem light every day me catch am cough or more than sugar nti okada diabetes on kran but say o twam na o make the sugar no because everything you eat there's sugar inside nti light no it does sugar nti o ma me a permitter na make sure that akufa kwan papa do enye bibia free no ye free nti o wi asi na bibia free efende free a wala ogegrege
Madam Mr. Kwansans, Madam Oye.
Abata mamema etie phone kai bokakra. Nsu tuto.
Yes.
Ehumi tutu kase.
Yes.
Yes won. Won twe won ho mfi se nsu no tuto na all for lighting na oye ya. I rather na the no man kind of bluff no. No, tender is not lighting.
Oh, lighting is different.
Lighting is different from tender. I rather
yeah.
Or otto minimum work on the session.
Nanyen.
Otwa okuta ahode electricity ahode ne bi na odeba nti se o amna nkofo e de me fridge asho me de asho nsu no to no adne tete no o ndum mo fridge nti otwa oba behye ahoma no mu then adne bokro do and most of the times again na yan nkote be ye ne de yedum TV no oba ho wi a
na o
shishem
okay
sedema ahode ne ba oba fam
nti ode yetutu
okotutu.
Oh, okay.
Especially since suit toward them
light
na dum TV kakra mam for man po wonhwe
dum na 2 feet wall socketing
and then we should be away from mirror anything that can't get energy we should be away from it
even phone
yes if phone yeah phone is very serious
yes.
Phone no pokuta enyama hode
yes, sure.
and then the man yes one this time what's in so what of man ka say minister obi but them na ya to radio do nti won mo modern na se ini sunu frama na ini fa oye nan ka obeye mpa radio no kra wondum no kakra then nsu frama no kofema na ya asena so because I had ma ye be sense ma pie
okay
nti bibia sunu a o ma electricity phone aso ntentem
okay
ye no man dey order abontin me no ma dey on your hiding but at any time you can call me
okay
no problem. I will receive it. No, it's part of the work. No compensation to my
yeah.
It's part of the work. At any time, they should call me. I will receive the message. If say my office, now me officer be engineer, another district technical officer, another commercial officer, whoever is delaying you call me. Call me personal. If you need me know my other office for back at them the no the madi. You hold your hand and
once they should call you. Will you give your number out to them?
Oh, you have it. You can
not the matter how I have it. You
0244 744 868 on your Irakwan.
0244 744 868. Thank you.
On your Irakwan. At any time you can call.
All right.
Yes.
Mr. Pastor the paper dasi.
Me how an come Benjamin. Mama go tell me if you na ma da some gym. But me how unti dem wa.
Right. But that one I say.
Yes sir.
So Clive, thank you. Mr. Kwazan Sumedasi. My new friend Listowa, thank you for coming. And it's time for sports. Bogati and Professor Dr. Dawood Efi Ayekado after this break.
Mira, what the way I was said be found. Sia, and now my free fear hair na tema wa be dimino. As when you say a catcher. And now a funa minianti. Let's see the other bomb crowd, dear Messi Metua. And so fit that to me gume. Like a camesa. It's where the mirror miss the only dear moada. Mr. and now to so crab one what? Not by me, never been to Menaso. Now ya dear, I Jima Bossonoso, Yentuasi.
Or do Papa B. I guess I may menu. Let's say some look as a dear. Me call Chico Bramati Chini na and that dear. A hunting na a twitcher. A sunset. Madame Fubi at the Echo Clinic Bia. Oh, Yamini. I dance a crowd of Kwana for the crown. A book adjoining Aseso. Yet in Kenya Herbal Clinic. In Kenya Herbal Clinic. Odo Jai. Gonorrhea, chlamydia, obey stroke, and obey his ayana, obey prostate cancer, hepatitis A, B, C, and answer a person the Bema Crayacasian, and now hypertension, and now a Siciliano, and answer once I will be a good pediano. Odo in Kenya Herbal Clinic. SSI Wigina, obey anyhow. I want to say what typhoid, or does say Yanya flu and will oh, in Kenya Herbal Clinic, dear, and Ma and Tafo, Ayana San, in a baby, or your banner and Sabuno, as Kenya Herbal Clinic, a bit me up, Sansona, Obia, what kidney problem, Bia, obey me Ediaba, Kenya Herbal Clinic, on my sonny idea, or you will be true honor. If you did screen a hold, you show Mojimu, some video when you are a bit our honor, or do you, Yako, Yantina to see Yako see ya.
Yeah, Mira, and the Jenna Beffia say, where the massive bad dear, a bayer the metimia, Massio Nigeso. In Kenya Herbal Clinic, or Yajuma free a Jordan Copy Medal, and upon on so copy and you may know. She say, was she by Achima, Yane, Assemblies of God, I saw down, and edition him, from was somewhat to voice 0243 719385 in Kenya Herbal Clinic. You bet 2 Yariano Susa.
Okay, Yabrano call but Professor Dr. Dawood every year I say. Prof, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
Boss, I'm doing absolutely fantastic good. I'm doing good like ECG.
Good like
ECG. And I'm in Crawford Bahano.
okay.
We are double pa.
Nice one.
Omakasa Kamanso.
Nice one. Bo Gati.
Bosses of the bosses.
Good morning.
Boss morning.
Apom.
Boss as usual.
Yeah,
You know the deal.
Today we'll be using just 1 minute.
Oh, yeah, the
My
problem.
question is just
Oh,
simple.
once the soldier was the soldier.
What is political question? Ade.
Because my catcher buga say, I'll be sworn on test no nakakra.
Appropriate time.
No problem.
Tese, buga now.
Ade no na.
Anaju buga suya tese. Ate.
Me bro. Me bro pa boss, me bro.
Na okay, enuana me de choku mani nasa.
Enua.
Oh yes.
How the choku.
Yes, asa.
Edisia de.
Ti me be se me ko enua me ko so me. Na me ko pe enua de choku mani no.
There is a country.
Okay.
Emu nipa na from the Danes.
The Danes are there.
The days.
Yes. Na sakro no. Wo street lights. Ye nyina ye de eso kama no.
Yeah.
Wo so de na eso kama. But e wo bre bia eduru a wo so red light. Yes. Na sa red light na wo be so no. Wo so e de mo to say bat. So that the bat can also use the red light to mate for them to have more of bats in the system. Buga
Boss.
me answer na me hwe
What we?
yes. Country be ya.
We de bi o kan ya chira ntiase o.
So so like.
Mo bi so like.
Man ka say mo no so light. Man ka say mo no so light. Man
mo tu ana so muntu.
the mating.
Mu chia nam.
Omu hia on dem.
Omu chia.
Sa.
Damn.
What to go for?
Omu so like na mo ne
Street lights na ya emphasize street lights what happen.
Yeah.
Womo so was street lights this but a drew time bia womo so red.
Okay.
The country the whole the street goes red. Almost so red light.
Can't you there?
Me sure boss. Maybe hinti bi grada we bi ni yase o.
Oh,
say ya so like some more.
That's omo fo amo adwaman so ana.
Ana some one go na okrom o.
that be ready and what but anyway we try buga
yeah I know the deal
because enwa bra ye makoshi we ntwam nkoda
baby o kan ya me hu sa ade ne be for me o say the day
yeah the day o ka say last be ko fan nema o
yeah I want to
mo ko fan nema o
oh yes
the day
e ko fan Jesus
yeah
e ko fan blaster Jesus o
the day e be different
danger buga
kuro ben ya
kuro na mine
o mine ben ya
Denmark the Dane the new trust why
because yes Denmark the Dane and
yeah we should did na grab yourself
yes mo
silence means consent yeah we
yes we have cut
ma catch you say yeah kasa bebre ene kasa bebre amafo di dua wo mani ase a ene wo pe bia ba no ene ina sa
ye nua
sɛ me pan nyina papa ɛsɛ mkɔtɔ pan foforo bi si hɔ na si ma mo modwa mienu mebrɛ o
ma pan na akɔtɔ ɛm me ka tɛ sɛ pan
ɛde sɛ foforo kɔ me tɔ pan tu na ɔtɔ bia pan mienu mebrɛ
ɔbrɛ boss ye try to try
mocha
yes
you are correct
yes correct
boss ye be arena cautious no mo de man no
ɛsɛ ma fa bia ma biem esi sɛ to bia suro asuro ja na nanjinja hene
na
o nyina
na nzonzo hene de ne ekira ɔno de me gine de ɔba bi betato
ɔno ba na sɛ ɔro be send question na ba
I don't know
ɔba ne na bua yo ko ba me twa ne simple pa ɔde flexible ba ebeti
ye na ya
ya twa ne simple ko send ba ebeti
Arabuga
boss
ana ya brother ko eti mocha ne taw fast ana me
kasa bebre action oh yes
and then mocha nice one
oh yes so simple
na Mr. Kwanza baha na ye Kwanza immediate Ghana
I see
yeah
what is question by say ma munya de man
yes we sorrow
so emre tu me na asa bo ma ebon e pere more din
so on question self for my issue and my question boss
yanko ye brako yanko sports
buga
na de moguma ni mase mo ya metse na mo ye prince no
oh yes say wa be dia group be go ni mase o ba prepare ho
mira ho
abi a Chelsea
aye no to be honest with you buga English teams no ba ko pere betuma qualify
Chelsea film
yenya 6 teams
omu nyina
be film omu nyina teams ni nyina be film
omu nyina be
because our cost Spain Barcelona Barcelona ko ball 1-1 against Newcastle United Atletico Madrid share Tottenham 5-2 Madrid and one share City 3-0 so 3 teams that be qualify from Spain
England for no film
England say Arsenal bet be share by Leverkusen
na Liverpool
and Liverpool so bet share Galatasaray Chelsea say you free Chelsea say out Tottenham pro one team so call Man City and be free
ya ko vie
already
empire ho nan kwasa ya chetuntum ko are ho nkwa ne ho enko
alright abusia enti akudemu nsam na pai na yenso na ajeche bia mo no show papa enso entimi entrust na ye bulletin na masore ene ye Thursday nya dia ene awia ye beba enti yenhwe na game se todwa eno a yenya Bayern Leverkusen omuni Arsenal omo game no enso koyo 1-1 draw Bayern Leverkusen she kabako a Arsenal enso she ekabako ye ka chomno ye ka chosen ponto krem faro wo ma wini game no a wo mo ti Sporting CP pomo ye kabensa ama Sporting CP omo so mantimi ande eno Chelsea team no awani ankopon eno Chelsea ankuni panu ase eno Chelsea ankuni panu ase yepa na Chelsea 57 minutes na game aye 2-2 afode me see me contract score line me code 5 goals to 2 in favor of PSG na enu PSG e share couple enu a amateur for Chelsea and so timetimu mienu na enu awiel modern e share kabiensa ama poboko a ye for Manchester City omunso ntimiante Federico Valverde and a shut out to Gosina, Tima, your real Monte, Tinema and Sotimico Yipa, Altima Poboque Fermate, and they say that Satie, Omekayan, I am 2 0, Boboqua, your friend, a year Chassan, Sancho Tima, your friend Galatasaray. Echi Liverpool, Eshamu Ekabako, Omo Antumiante, Yenya Atalanta, Emma Tima Fe Paminicano, Esha Kabal Poncia, Omo Timubako, Atletico Martin, Esha Ayitima, Yefer Totiam, Ekanum, Emma Totiam, Etimumino, Newcastle United, Esha Kabakwa, Mantima Fe Pasa, Esha Kabako, Eti Enije, Sausha, Na Tasetiu Zero, English Timson, Liverpool, Elusui. And a Timor Fair Totiam, Elucia, and a Timor Ferro, Newcastle United, and so Porto, ne and a Tuesday, a man no swa, Yan Tima, ye fair Ayetase Alsna, Alco Porto, and so against Ayetima, ye fair Bayern Leverkusen, after day, Chelsea, Economy, and a Man City, and so to see a energy. So just says a premier teams now, after a more deeper, and so Tamamo, Nano Tuesday, one team. Elusui and a noir one team Alco draw dear Kenyan Akoy lose healthy loser and so tomorrow Yabache sir and name Yamia Tuma and even so Petimia Koyi and so tomorrow Yanche and then Kemsia and Tota Europa Lecanum and then Tima Yefe Poluna or Tima Yefe Soman and so to Peponi I have 5 for 5 and a psyche Petimia Tota league. Emisha Asefia, answer 5 for 5. Ye Penya Panathinaikos, Ami Real Betis, I have 5 for 5. Stuttgart against FC Porto, I have 5 for 5. Celta Vigo, Emisha Lyon, 8 p.m. 8 p.m. Ferencvaros, Emisha SC Braga, answer 8 p.m. Ye Penya Gang, Omni 5 pack, 8 p.m. Nottingham Forest, Emisha FC Midland, answer 8 p.m. Where I comes here. Europa League and so pay to me out to young Coto Conference League, na young comes to AZ Ackerman, Mrs. Porter Parker, your penalty, your flat, and your Porcelain, or your Pomokwa, your first sector Toneski, and so to Pepani, your Benyon Pomokwa, your Ferry Jeka, Omni Strawberry, and so to Pay Thompson, I saw Tima, your first sauce Sazasbeck. Nasa some Sodbeki, Wamnu Pomokwa, Yafem Filare, and as a Momokwa Ferro, Yam Fracanu, and Solomon Pony, and to some Sodbek, or more Turkey, or Munitima, Yafem Fracano Mufus Pin, and so to Pay and Thompson, Yapena Crystal Palace, Omni A, Yk, Lana Tima, Yafe A, Yk, Nanaka, Lanaka, Asame Crane, na Taswako Tutiman, Yafe Nanaka. At Crystal Palace and Santime Ezra Pone, ye Penya Frontier, Omni Pomokwa, ye Fet Rako, and Sote Peponi, and K Serge, Omni Pomokwa, ye Fe Ye AK Etes, and Sote Pay Thompson, SK Sigma, Omni Pomokwa, ye Fe Men's 05, and Sote Peponi, way a Gamsia, and then Thursday, and so met me out to draw, and we Republic canal, and a conference canal, and I'm a tower some answer tomorrow. El Kimania Sweet and Pay, a medical yipa, Mammy Yamwe, no opinion, your firm Pukati, and for Fisam and Trussel, me Patama Rumfi, Yamia Tumana, and we are Anyatia Repa, Sansa and Iowa and their Thursday, and no Pusso Penny of football, woman and Tamo, and Betrasi, no Omuti Saviman Cosso, and so to me pray. I will say because some ne anyone so to me koye enti ayata bituku ne free trampe ne tie tumani no menu kasa free frasa se dano ye yesepe ne se tie people pa monta hotel show in town in the region ne tesaro no atimia trust entamo Bugatti and your fisano trust no pay
well problem that sip yourself for no pay me so me ba fi na fa fisam kakra men so me saka no sem nya no enso watum dia obra ne ko kakra ne fa musina no pay when just saying come kakra me so ramum former Black Stars or Medford defense start Mamaduna the top and say Adman Kanika what de bruta na eno ye ni abrante di nkomo kakra na ochiremu se bebeneka say the day you the modern boy or say o taro to nsafre no na wachiremu so na so bebona say team no philosophy ni game plan ebe si to na dia and it's all fun and hard water because the day you stand on the Gusua, oh, Siakai, and so Edman Mac brother, you take Emmanuel Ajman Bebeto.
Normally, it depends on the coach, his philosophy, his ideas, and the kind of players he needs in the World Cup. As you mentioned, my brother Andre is doing very well. He's playing well, he's scoring goals. And if the coach thinks the philosophy and his game plan, he merits to be in the team, why not? He hasn't stopped playing football. But what I know about him is he is concentrated on his club football. If there's an opportunity for him to come and help his nation, he will be willing to come. But all depends on the coach. You can be doing well, but if the coach thinks the philosophy and his game plan doesn't merit you, what can you do? You just have to focus on your club football. So we leave everything to the coach. He knows the kind of players he wants to go with. When he brings the list out, he will scrutinize and you will still support them. And after the tournament, you will see where the team will go. So I always want to leave it in the hands of the coach. In as much everybody is playing well, is scoring, but whatever I will say cannot change the mind of the coach. His philosophy and the idea.
When you say Paul, boy, so when you say I can be okay, I don't think so. The problem here, what you say was for a free at Mabadu, so I said about a prayer with Seminano, and so the Baker near in Comoca Crab. In some Pirana Sabato Jarunachi, and your son to be sons of Paniwati. Say, be crack, can't say, players on which I can blast us, or say, yet to me about testimonial Machimawomu, because of Massimo Mino. Now, so I don't do understand because Ghana, over whom I say, Papa Yini, a branch away. 7 trouble bomb ni namu ina go and it's always kama minus mine only say about testimony about what is a hard dream you tell him
it will be a privilege to make an impact in your country, and after if you want to stop they want to honor you. However, I don't think it's compulsory. And as much it will be an honor, it will be a privilege, it will be nice to finish your career with the national teams, and they want to honor you very well. It will be a privilege, but I don't think it's compulsory for the country to do that. If the country thinks they need, or the federation or whoever thinks, or the president or whoever thinks they need to honor them, I will support it 120%. But if they don't, I'm a footballer, I have done my job for my country. My job is done. I need to focus either on different thing or something else, or I will still be in football. But I will not force anyone to honor anyone.
What was for way someone Emmanuel Ajman Badu Bebeto was upon a pay Martin Canua Yari Shatole Bon Comoca Crana Yanni Comate so we saw quite the Timunua say play about Quadebia or Dago no ya Diana while you cross your hand just say now answer not deciding in Shiasana and Muna Yabusa upon Bebenaka say or say ya did Benjamin sorry echo couple was a check. O si sa kwadano masa ya franco kapondia ya big mistake konti o taka na fo nyina ya support Benjamin Asana for work up no o do timi eko bi yentie Chata Wally.
The symbol of hope. Yeah. In the about Black Stars match we dey no why yes we say there winning was nyame about you know, so if we say then they call World Cup. No, they have to because I think you know that's what I'm saying. I don't know, yeah, Neymar different. Yeah. You know, the buzz that he's bringing to the World Cup. Right? Well, nobody's talking about any player in the World Cup apart from the goalkeeper. Recently, I'm confirming a picture where airport we are now. Sure. We need that. Sometimes we downplay certain things, but I tell people when we are fixing a puzzle, God makes it funny. Yes.
Well, what is the support just ni ama shutdown of the pay Martin and Cassano does the best channel of a Swaba. Now for the good women you know essence of the what you gonna pay. So the money said Nano at the Abadomidi at the water Freddie Whitman from the Bugatti.
Mira, what the way I was said be found. Sia, and now my free fear hair na tema wa be dimino. As when you say a catcher, and now a funa minianti. Let's see the other bomb crowd, dear Messi Metwa, and Sophie me gume. Like a camesa. It's where the mirror miss the only dear Mwada. Mr. Antinauto so crab one what? Not by me, bitumen naso. Na ya dear, a jima bossonoso, yentwasi.
Odo papa bi. I guess I may menu. Na say some no say dear. Me ko chiko brema teaching na ene dear. A handing na a twitcher. Esan say, Madam Fubi at the Akon clinic bia. Oh, Yamini mini. I dance a crowd of Kwana for the crown about a journey so. Ah, yet in Kenya Herbal Clinic. In Kenya Herbal Clinic. Odo jai. Say gonorrhea, chlamydia, obey the stroke, every year, obey his ayana, obey your prostate cancer, hepatitis A, B, C, and answer a person the Bema Crayacasian, and now hypertension, and now a Siciliano, and answer once I will be a good pediano. Odo in Kenya Herbal Clinic. Exercise idea wagina. Obey anyhow. I want to say what typhoid. Odo say your food and will be. Oh, in Kenya Herbal Clinic, dear. Hey, Emma and Tafo, I hear something in a baby. But your banner was Sabuno as year. Kenya Herbal Clinic, a bit me up wapa. Sansuna, Obia, what kidney problem, Bia, Obeti Ediaba, Kenya Herbal Clinic, on my sunny idea. Although you will be true honor, if you dear screen and hold you show Mojimu, some video when you a be our honor. Although you, Yako, Yantina to see your see ya.
Yeah, Mira, and Jenna Beffie say, where dear massive bad dear. Ah, a bayer demetimia massive Nigeso.
In Kenya Herbal Clinic, or ye jume free a Jordan copy medal, and upon on so copy and you may know. She say was she be quiet. Achima, Yane Assemblies of God, I saw down, and edition him. Friend was somewhat to voice 0243 719385. In Kenya Herbal Clinic, you bet 2 Yariano Susa.
For a movie Aquaba at the Baptist Sign Company Limited. So, at Nakua, Ghana, Wakofa, a dream on was so at the Abed Jasua, a dream a young one, dear Cassia, a dream in cements, Vita Herbal Mixture and Capsule. A dream and a man a day, a Guyano. Wouldn't have now see a guy, a dream and I may become for the Amagana Nibia. Nasa Nibia said. Obi maybe now so anon let me abuano. Sa everyone was why come once me cement Vita Herbal Mixture and then the capsules no. E ye do aye dma wontini mu. E brain we be a sabi o me masem e da fom tinkeja. Be man ntimi man mu so kra. Be man ntimi pega no ho. We be ma sabi we no be hiem. Now see anu we je mu a so e brain e kan for the amount. E brain we bra e be bra ma wontini netimi asore gina so. Ebe mamo debu e pusane wo bema ni mama bema na timi asore gina so ye na wotimi abo adwuma na ama o piafo obi bia sabi eni atenka so wo ba so ye bema ni hia edro cements Vita Herbal Mixture and Capsules and a man dey agan ni bi kona koto bi nom watenka ayira na tekokra kona koto bi ni bi nanom na obo sabi ebe no esi ye adwuma sifa apen ni ye no to nchen sabi obi wo ma tichikom o how pa kese pa so ba na ko nfichire na say menses na ma ebe ya ebi ebe boawo cements Vita Herbal Mixture kona ko to ebi ni binom be ma nfichiko no bia kama de amount afa so wote yawo o nfichiko mu a ebi ebe boawo cements Vita Herbal Mixture and Capsule afa so obi wo ma sabi wa ko jane nan no na moja di akire wo ba na tisa be bia hu moja no tieniye pa se moja no e gon bright red we know that's a bright red and na say be betimabo ama moja ni na to atwa e de ama okra apo so obi so a sabi ne to ase twetwe no we ni kan say sciatica wo sciatica e bi betimabo ama yawo ni twetwe na wo ni na ati akokra no e ya agan cements Vita Herbal Mixture and Capsules. Ebruno, a red mountain. Na, Emiani, no be a bois papa. Ah, your friend nitric oxide. Say nitric oxide, no, we are about Nipebiama, until we are mercy, until I can't tariff. Baby beam, baby, who until I'm until it not all moderate maybe a pusane. You see, and area, your neurotransmitters are self-free adrenaline and eba. Ah, and when I say victim jawa, na say cocaine bi mu a na sa neurotransmitter no etimi ababwa ama pain na say yaw no etimi akofom ebe ewo nyane mebi mu a it means neurotransmitter your friend endorphin na saa endorphin ne ba sɛ wo sisi ɛna yɛ ɔza zawo na wote no ɛwɔ sisi mu no brain eba be stop ni nyina you should be dopamine na be use zawo ni nyina free work e be amount enti sɛ sisi yɛ ya ebi ɛwɔ sɛ no ɛyɛ agan cement vital herbal mixture and capsules brain adi award yenim the year kan wasem no 2022 best waist pain product of the year 2023 brain adi award efa sisi ya de ho 2024 yes adi yes ahwe ni musa afie di ayi mu nyina so ye be sa adi award no e bema na o percent nyina so no gyina so kene wa bla o be no na bi no sima kakra bi ati a fe number no a e screen ase no o fe number na ye be no be kasa kama ni a cho send o mesla no na bi no na ni matumi aboa ma bibia e kama ma o afi so ba bi a be bi ato no ye di screen so memom ti ni pa se wo kumase ene ni pattern wo store wo person to be towa the bi a di kan PFA pharmacy New Road Junction wana PFA pharmacy o store kesi a obi nya be bi atu onu akwakoton afi Colinac ewo Ashtown oni dani heba obi na wa Ashtown ko ho Fredimens eso okay onu so be na bi ato afi Sambora ewo Cavity every 3 no opposite ebon bra eba beboa ewi sawo hawo na fi wa kwa ma enti pebi achi kwanto agan a etese ejan no edito na enkotote e ma na so na wa ho den pepepe edama
Kojona seahorse product no utogu kamu wi a fagalance ne chame
ene say wonya tese me de seahorse ma hiti promo no aba no me hiti bi e mo send me mo free a enye wo ho
hey so what enka me kohwehwe stickers e woni tinim say seahorse engine oil anasa ne coolant apa bia hiti aka me de no
me ma obi a woto seahorse products egu na fidie mu ate ase se fina de kro seahorse ma hiti promo aba enti obi a to seahorse products wa enfa ho ne size a woto ye secretary small whatever on one sticker na pharmacy no atwere number code and amount of money ewo ho free number no kesika ya atwere no bo code no seahorse fo e check from office na ye no ano no a breaking crying wo sandu mobile money amuru ho akoyikodi
seahorse ma hiti promo wo twa de fa enya fa so free
sika ne free 50 Ghana ekosi 5000 Ghana cedis na achade no mu kese pa eya bobo ya achade ni bi so ye mobile phone iron fan fridges and na TV
na we so de enya free na wo konwa bibia atwa no bia
National Lottery Authority afuaso
na so penteche mu bia friend 0540 424 386 and 0243 218 566 Seahorse Mahiti Proboy a peking crime.
There are many reasons to connect, and it's all to put smiles on the faces of those you love.
Daddy, thanks for the tea cash, okay? I love you.
That's my daughter Angela. Caring for my parents, that's my duty. I also get to pay my utility bills easily with Telecel Cash, and to the suppliers at my shop.
Hello sir, LSM Cash payment received right on time. Thank you.
I get to make them smile because I can pay to my suppliers' merchant numbers, even on other networks directly. My dear ones, we keep the connection stronger when our family, friends, and business relations are happy. Keep on Cash, enjoy convenience, and make those who matter smile when you send them money with Telecel Cash.
Telecel, connecting energies.
Kwame sheni motivate ujili se ebe fan ni na fufu ni tita phone or the best way for bet influencer and your best one the fufura abrochi che ni code no etimi mani nyesika course dudu o cheche no na chire sika dudu obenya obia betimi ya bet influencer we ya the fufura kra edikan e wo wiase afa na nyina free betway kai se ncheshe kakra wo ho Gaming Commission of Ghana sashase woni fie no wo twe a enko ho bet ni wonyansem
Deba samukren. Ane via nsu jama tete sei.
O fire one na kasa de achie bia. O fire. Me tu for wunti o. Me kasa ko Jampra Drilling Services. Na ko for mo metu nsuo no ma. Ye ka wuntie. Da bia na wo de kwame aba. E kina wo de kwadwa aba. Se fe de waji wani so.
Na katachie. Za Jampra fa wo kan. O ma chi akwa wa he.
O fire. Jampra Drilling Services American. O ma chi akwa wo bibie ni. Kwame krom kwa so Jampra warehouse wo no ma pe. E fiewura no mo pese mutu nsuo wo mu fie. Ansole sorry schools.
ne ankrankra bi a mo pese mutu nsuo de e ba nsuo ho dwumadie pa de a e Jampa Drilling Services na me kan fodi ama na wo koye wo fa ya frɛ wo mo ahoma isu na kɔ no mo meye wadwuma ma na gya kasakasa wo fia
Kataji ene sema to adi ane for mo number ima me ansa me phone na
frɛ Jampa Drilling Services e wo ahoma isu 0240686476 ana 0551383822 ana betima frɔ panyini kwantrefo na nkasa e wo ahoma isu 0243127868 na woni Jampa Drilling Services eni nsawoso na unsuo hu nsɛm de ɔmo bɛtɛ ne tɛ
amanfo sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a yɛmfom ne yɛkwaeɛ bɛgyina na ewiem nsakraeɛ nsunsuaso na prasinti ɛna GCFRP ɛne Red Plus de enable dwumadie yi abrɛ mo titiriw ɛma wɔn asɛbe wedi dɛm ɛmmɛbunu ɛne tu kɔtenafoɔ no mekyerɛ migrant ɛsɛ sɛ yɛyɛ nyinaa yɛde yɛn ho hyɛ na yɛdiedie nnua na yɛbɔ yɛkwaeɛ ho ban nya so mfasoɔ nti mese obianua bi ɛneyɛya obianua bi yemo ye kwaye hopa enu na de sika beba obianua bi ebenya carbon credit mo frenya bi bebru nya bi emenya bi na o sunya bi o na mo sintonso obianua bi. The Enable initiative is proudly sponsored by GCFRP and Red Plus.
Mr. Kojo, 1 minute before you go to work. The AC you said you want to fix, it won't work.
Why?
Because the electrician will come and chisel my wall. It will make my building weak. Wait, is that a puppy? No animals in my house.
Kojo knows all the challenges about renting. That was his reality until he discovered Republic Bank. With Republic Bank's flexible mortgage solutions, you can move from tenant to homeowner quickly. Imagine stepping into your own home, a place for your family to grow and create memories. Big up. Join the Republic Verse. Republic Bank, we're the one for you.
Boys Dance Training Institute ya kan hu biom ya kuso etetenkrofo ya dibosomo miensa pep emau intensive training ewo safety training, fire training with certificate, first aid training, nebano equipment training so dia ya chow excavator, dump truck, wheel loader, dozer, backhoe, heavy duty machines, heavy duty mechanics, and heavy duty welding. Oni je won se obesuya we nyina atwi nko dia akonya no adawo e dia mawo ya tetenkrofo bebre ewo Ghana afei enadu so se odi 3 months eba besua we nyina ya chachafo akwadare na wonu nimje efa niema oba besua ewo ye nchen je form sisia na bekan wo ewo bra ya besha adesua ase school we nko ana ya je atum se ye ntetew na koya dwuma ewo mines quarry site and construction site wosua sanema we nyina awie no ya besa ma license a e free DVLA ya bie ya puno ato edi twa obia wona wa beji ntete enya dwuma pa eye ewo mines adwumam and construction site. Boys Dance Training Institute. Shisha school no achikwan ewo. Sashi also Genase. Rosal School Complex wa. Yemfa school 24 ewo. 0595 761 794 0247 618813 and afi 0242 536323. Joe forms Sisia na beka ho ewo bra ya baba sha ya disua ase school empany for adwo ye ese yesika samde ewo form aye Boys Dance Training Institute nkoa and ya dibo so miensa e kire we nyina ya say training people creating a better future.
Million miles from reality.
right, there's so much trouble in the world. Beautiful piece of song from the late Bob Nesta Marley. Onya Ebreno aso se anope yesi nkonya na yedi enkomo ewo fiaze. Mewo eye Commander Zito ewa ha na anope for the NPP. Ena mewo eye yenua bema Honorable Boachi. Enso so ewa ono so eye communication officer ema NDC Akontomra constituency. Honorable, good morning.
Mira, me just saw bro na apom to say.
Nyame adom na ho so e.
Me so nyame adom me ho ye.
Zito waba but sign etia na echi kakra bi o free studio akwa moten kwakwa ya de ono so ba me ma na okay Zito so abe come say me ma ono so akwa ba na yemfa enkomo no enhye so. Zito, yeah, good morning.
Good morning.
Not sir.
Nyame adom na so
boko. Nice one.
Agency be mo ye.
Yes, what a part of life. Bia yadru yan hwede yan fa yan komo hwehwe so na yan komo aye bedie no. Edifri ase has to do with corruption. Na assembly a corruption fight has improved under John Dramani Mahama. We a CAS and a Gimpa for and already this very survey at the Abaye. Na wamo and some kai mukakra. Or say a new nationwide survey by the Conrad Adenoa Shifton, that is CAS Ghana Limited, and the Ghana Institute of Management and Public Administration GIMPA suggests that many Ghanaians believe the fight against corruption under John Dramani Mahama has improved. The study, titled Stock Taking of Ghana's Democracy, assessed public perception of governance, democratic values, and political leadership in Ghana. The data collection released on Wednesday, yesterday, March 11, 2026, concluded with the first year of the National Democratic Congress NDC government under President John Dramani Mahama. And according to the findings, the most frequent selected response across demographic groups indicated that corruption has improved, suggesting that anti-corruption efforts by the government are being recognized by a section of the public. This is good news for your government.
Yeah.
Okay.
Medas biom minua kayaso. Na no pai aye political program. Na wo mu so tie adwamu yi. Ma memfa sa kwanya yi so nchiao. Ncha kese pai free NDC the regional chairman ne empanyin for edema yenua be makayaso. Na ya bo abaso ewo ojumadi sunko a udi ama Western North Ghana man any ewiase ama nyina. You have distinguished yourself so very well as a very fine journalist.
Thank you.
Anope yechiao na minua mecha me regional party no led by the able regional chairman, the chairman Big Edu, who doubles as Council of State member for Western North. Misayin so edi akwenye so chia my regional communications officer and deputy regional communications officer. Me chia me dean of communication officers Honorable Azaya. Me chia Usu Ansa, acting communication officer for you also, a fine gentleman. Me de akwenye so chia me MP, that's MP for Sefia Kontomra constituency. The Honorable Pius Kwame Nkwa. Na machia the DC for Sefia Kontomra constituency in the person of Honorable Joseph Apia. Then MP for Sefia also constituency, MCE for Sefia also constituency. Our party branches across Akontomra constituency and you also constituency. Now, I mean, we are party branches, no. We do will be an amateur break because a horn a party now holding now. nkro e wa akontom na mansin mu nyina ndc fo am wo so no mo na me chia ma no pa efise mo na mo matumi na mo nso na mo gitumi nti anopa petifo nyina me chia mo me wie nso a na ma chia ye serial callers no a e wo se hwa akontom na eni yo so ye wo Idris Mohammed ye wo Osman Osebo ye wo Abdallah Yakrum Vim Lady Oba Paesta Musa Konkonsani Abuduam K2 I love you Togo Kasamafo Kazo ajuma na ha ni jina udi agora udi agora benya ho asem media sia
we ya no one the problem
diabolic senior diabolic officer senior diabolic officer mechiano minimo say unka hwe nkyere me zito minua na no bibi ni o me number unim ye nyina teta no so no na asema ba unka nkyere me na minua say wo yemu ye wo ya wa mfe wo sia ye be de na ye wa man bi ya na bi ko bi ya ya mo minua o ye ya fa no me ye o ya konso ba ye nso o tuntum no de na se bibi ko so enti minua straight forward no me de be 30 seconds bi a chia no na oh don't do that diabolic man we move on straight away to the issue of corruption.
Yes sir.
Minua no, on a serious and a more business note, corruption has crashed our nation a lot. Corruption ketase ene proyeno di yemano ebony. One, a day friend of corruption. Corruption no broni be defend no simple say using a public or official way for private gains. That is the short definition of corruption. Another form of corruption you nipa bebre ehu ye no excessive discretion of power. So you can excessive discretion of power so what you say. Small provocation, though you are the host of the program, then you walk Zito out of studio. It's a form of corruption because you have exercised power too much. Another form of corruption is nepotism and favoritism. It's another form of corruption. You know you Ghana for. Now you select nkrofo ku bi say bibia mo na yemfa nkomo because omo nya nuafo a na omo ye den abusuafo omo nya abusuafo a na omo ye den enamfofo. It's a serious form of corruption. Inti enema mabubosu we nyina no they all constitute corruption related issues. By so we na aba no kire say eba ni nepotism say ye hwe say hwan na ye hwan abusua hwan na ye hwan ba hwan na ye hwan wo fase ni inform nko dijuma wa ban mu no His Excellency President Mahama and NDC Aban, you can mention but minimally few. Abanya wo hosisi ye. Why mo na beka so mo ye direct President Mahama allies or mo wabem. Apart from Muntari say Muntari Bawa, who relates to the president or the making what I say. Who aban no say President Mahama nuanom ni we your finance minister, we it is not there. And see, that one alone is a form of curbing corruption in NDC government. Open for all agenda. Ye kwa koyade. Ye nansen ya ye recruit you into the various security services and what have you. It was open to the general public. Say, be anko turn forms na, be anko trying a lack. Even though and also it was open for everybody. But some time ago, recruitment even into the security services a crampo na man obi a ono netem antemu ko ba no she police or she soldier atade you see ya biem all these ones are forms of corruption. E being said that bi wo NDC aban mu e bi onso say intentionally nipa da sani de nse ko ba o man sika mu afa no eno nso ye nyina di adanse trodo say NDC aban no enim gone were the days nipa da sani timi ehsese hwana ono ankasa ko bi company tua ono an hoka. That is the SML and Kenoforiata yeah ne atimi de chebi this year akọ exile America bruchi mamu the PDS matter, the vice president Bawumia office and rice matter, a whole lot of corruption scandals. And see, MPP are buying ever honor. Almost now it was like one day one corruption, every day one corruption, every day plus corruption. But me, from where I say it, every woman institution be a dijumano. I will not say nobody will do corruption or nobody is related to corrupt issues. I bet you may see when this year by mu. No, abandon say ya obey no. And the team man ya kono and the team yeden a brenase. Minu anemi ken what ma say. Abandon under President Akufo-Addo and MPP no. More or less no. Na kwese obi koye ketase shekura mpa yimbusa ne hwe. Na law institution no so kopɛ no ho asɛm mpo sɛ yɛnkodi n'asɛm a yɛndi n'asɛm kra no na yaba abɛkre no sɛ ondi bɔne bia. One of those corrupted stinging issues a yehu ye no ebi was the Sisiriada Pasaga eya wo babasia yekohu sɛ Doris ho akwatwe yenya bi nso bebre gu ni dem yenya nkora nkoka n'asɛm a yokofo ene no ye investigation no na aba out from aban mu sɛ sika no ɛyɛ ɔno ane dia o mo okoro no bia yɛmfa na de ma no unse se kobana sa na e man ye wokoye corruption no fufuro bi no nso hu se yebetima hyede no we contract aye wa wode ye amanfo gi hu sika twitwiri die di 1pp aban mu ayanya adwuma including the chairman untumi nda contract na dade so kwan ni nyina ye one and many of the corruption scandals ye bubodin bebre PDS hon sensem ye jeje ye like bill Padam kwabrane yehwehwe na yihu no san krofo no kura ye de light contract ko mo kura no panyin no wo mu kura we yitire na nzi ka so se ka babafo a yemfa oman Japade se nkwoso mo sa anka ye ntimi mfa nche uji na license ase kototo. So you saw massive corruption issues in MPP government. Na and this ye wo opposition no ene Ghana fodi nkomo se ye di bibia ye befre no operation recover all loot beba na ya prosecute all these corrupt officials no and there na eko MPP for na eto kese mo say operation recover all loot why na mache no why na majeli no, and that is the song of the MPP. But we want to tell the whole Ghanaians the person be at say the prosecutorial powers and the procedures of the NDC is not the same as the prosecutorial powers of the MPP. You know when people for say a day ato force in kujina court aye boni ko adu apena jail no na onye boni bia but yetimi ko ball park op dance say kudi dance kunumu na ye jail ato forcing. This is not how NDC we handle our corruption related matters. I was say o famre no mu fita because I had always said the same. Mimia say u jail ni pa one day pa say na brabo say ayemi ensan yete hey unya call jail ba just one day krana mimi awabra ba yeden I say because public office bebre wo hono ma uko jail ba huntimi occupy enti ansa na mimi hu say be jail obi on any corrupt matters no broni beka say e was say establish beyond every reasonable doubt to say ko do na ye di boni pan we dis abone no mimi awatima say and the nunti na ma the numerous corruption scandals akoso MPP mo no omonsem no ekoso o court a hu say ya said that the ebi mu atoto afiase ne ade no e wo say ehwe mu fekofeko. I had always not believed in prosecution of witch hunting. Say because you promise Ghana for say ye beche nkrofo adi jurim enti ye ba ya gidigidi na ye kopia dansi kurumu ye hwehwe ase nu nkosi ase na ye de nipa ekoto afiase. This is not how the NDC governs, but we hope say corruption has crashed nations. Look at the amount that was affiliated to SML, millions of Ghana cedis. Ye oyere na ye tu no kwabana ne se wati company say ye kosusu oyere no, that is Kenofori Atai and Reverend Amishadai. Oyere na ye kosusu no company na nipa nate no sika odi tua ne hoka no e ya ye kese a chen oyere na mu na ye tu no millions asem we e wo ho. But we have to establish the facts beyond every reasonable doubt. Kwa bra ne kura mra mi ni nitira asem kura no adwane akotena buruchiri. Enti we are saying say all those who have one way or the other done corrupt related matters no you be prosecute them. And President Mahama and NDC government are making it clear say they will never walk free. But see and Ghana for you now say justice delayed is a form of justice what denied. Atemu bi a eche bebre no na ya atemu a ayeden asay enti in as much as I be establish all reasonable doubt on Ghanaians and NDC for na kasa Ghana for na call and kayo, so you are one of them, many people are one of them, that we should prosecute corrupt officials. Say beya will be kwe bi an ye be den ebe se no but notwithstanding no ye be sre NDC aban so e wo ho sisi ye say we won konso abojo senso hye no mini anawd insuo so ye den esi wudie ho NDC communicators NDC aban president Mahama ban yen selde obi a wo NDC mu a obey corrupt related matters so and we can assure you say ye do see what the man to me mawa what the small man for no fa mokro no NDC ni bia obey corrupt related matter e be ya dance no ye nhuri ngina mu me defend to say na ye defend sisi adapa no ye betwe ho na wagina emra no so that is
Zizo. Yes, sir.
Maminti on corruption.
Mati, Maminfa Queen and Amintia, regional chairman of the party. On it, team Nina, Babio Mobiano, Michiomo, a strong coso. Namintia constituency chairman, Chama Boafoniame, on Suni team Nina. The police station executives, Michiaomo, electoral coordinators, Michiaomo, your communicators, your senior colleagues, Michiaomo. Na director of communication for region Minia Harry and for constituency me bra panyin na me offer kundis bedu ono so no hondo do no kakra ti ba bi obia no me chia ne sonkoso na me chia wa tie form pempema o ma gibra mu tie liberty na no pay na nanama hemfo nyina no me chia mo sonkoso Dr. Kokofi Yera Dr. Kwame Yera Pius Honorable Wiso se Japan Buma ba bi obia no so me chia no na me chia won so ni production team any management team na na bobo achen so me ma kwaba na chia sonkoso kaso on corruption issues. The TN say, Mimizito, Metihay, say, be MPP ni, so ye DC, so ye MC, so ye CEO, any appointment be a unyaye from 2017 to 2024. Nakata sene project can be falling any pana. Minia dajia. You better catch me say me metina radio so na me defend this nipa no me party na me dom no enye sa no mo de tete na for records yes your mampani Mahama oba abamu no corruption above from say topic ade aba no mati ona bobo achi ye besere mo wa abamu nti mo nkasa se mo wa abamu na mo nya se mo kasa se mo gina opposition sisi NDC communicators on dodo na nkasa ye na ye say afempo na mo petumi ana afi na mo peso mo ba ban mu ana mo rafi mu se mo tia konwa so ana say ye ma Mrs. Radapa so ye den the commander in chief of the Ghana Armed Forces eyo man panini is John Dramani Mahama onu no what to me say wa appoint na o fire o mani nyina hye ne nsa ndi so bi wa banda dani mu no ye boni bi a ye defend say ni pan emra ne say ni pan ndi na so be na ba bontin me ni so be ni ya adwen a enye ye ene won say nyoma boni koso o mani mu a na so be aba bontin from the NDC caucus na no my so be just to cover up ona bobachi family and friends a ye ka ho asem anka ye boni o se wuti hei na wonya mansini krati wa kontomla na wunua bi wa ma na dwuma anka ye boni na wadafo bi wa ma na dwuma anka ye boni na so e ba ne sen na obi de ba ya ye de ye campaign obi de ba de ye cover so da bi ye ne sa ne ye nya atwem e not ya ka kire tiefo se ye ma me Joyce Bawa Mutali pe ana yo mampani ti se John Dramani Mahama na busuani a wa ma na dwuma kaso ye fra bawa bi Karabawa ata oye wa busuani Karabawa ata oye wa busuani ye fra brantie bi John Sharif Bawa oye wa busuani Samuel ata oye wa busuani Alhaji Hudu Mutali oye wa busuani
na wa betena for the records wa be boni pa ba akudin anka omo ma bo mu din ye bone yewura Messi ba oye bi jeje oye bi yewura Kufo oye bi yewura Kufo ado oye bi nti yewura Mahama so ye bi anka ye bone nanso enkatasoe ani momuaso aya mo ye no munjai that hypocrisy of politics no eya doso wo ya mayo semu eya doso enyamra mo ba abema omampani Mahama the entire box site awo hina ka otam de amani nua banko de mani nua se ni nua ne betimi aya eya de pa oye Ghana ni osefata ndi sa man wasem de mo fa nto nche na mo feli wo ho mo jiro position family and friends ye de ba ye nya bi na mo ba ye mo ye west na mama records na nya nipa ba ko akuda we wish senka de mo de ma no kan no nka mo nya bibi mpo ma ye nya kwan enya hoode metena ka se video so e mo bodin be 5 amabo wo hai and the more tweet bebre kra wo ho bebre kra wo ho o man panyini betena koria so a na onua be masika sem eye kama but man panyini yewra Mahama ntia koria so a on should even check kra na bounce so o man panyini Mahama ne first time e be Mahama okoto play ono ayi na duma no anya sika ana se ne bla ba mtu akoto play nkanya bone ba yemi sese se yewra Kufo na tie koria so ana bonti ana gabia sala oche dako akoto play ya aka nyan disi fo be ye o mamu ano nkanya de ketwa Musa ba mu ya less than 1 year 3 months wasa akoto another one abda kokwa afo ho kire wo mo mbabru nya aduma anye ana wakoto emamampanyi na ati anu a odi tukwan enti munya se muti abam na mo kasa se mu opposition munya se na mo maye more weapons to tell Ghanaians say more dishonest muni Ghana for ni ye na kaso yeti Ghana ha from Nkrumah penso ye gold aya pegu ho yewura Kufo da dawo ma di bi be ka o ma ne ko 31 tons aban we ba kumia so wa ton 18 tons be sine ye nim ni pakwa ya ton gold 18 tons ne di ama no na ni boni ewum ye ton so no ye ton $3,500 per ounce 18 tons Ghana good yo yewura jeje Warren squad o ye military leader no wan fa ne sanka yewura Kufo an fa ne sanka yewura Moses an fa ne sanka ibi yewura Mahama ne first time kura no wan fa ne sanka yewura Kufo ado buy 8 years wan fa ne sanka odi bi be kan yewura Mahama buy yi o man panyi wo twama ko 18 tons adi a Ghana fo bisa se na Ghana gudie na egu ho no aya de twen ntirima no ya ton 18 tons when ya ton ma na besi na mutimi yi ano de saso eje ba kumpo ne se 18 tons na ma ton no maton fufufu $3,500 but na Ghana san ko boka ekoto gold $5,000 per ounce corruption be na say yet am the same gold board kaso akoton agudie aboka $214 million oda buwachi for records MPP President Kufo MPP yewura Kufo ado ani era JJ Lawrence ni Mills ani omampani Mahama first time yan compare government appointees a omako afiase from MPP and the NDC ya compare NDC for na call afiase dodo no single person in MPP and era Kufo call opposition a mo ba bema mutimi jeli no mo di nipa mako close to 44 government appointees mudo mu nyina kodina asendibia jamnade kan ene se sabsabi ensam na mode ball mu no enyina so bia nim operation recover all loot was the slogan campaign message for the NDC to tackle Yewura Kufo government say abani ye corrupt and amobai mu se mu recover 21 billion na se o man opposition members after 21 billion kofie dia sakia wo sika o babu ba ma jibosia more than 21 billion one member of the committee catch Ghana for say o man panyina kasa na man appointment o catch a Ghana for say. And you know, so now you see a digit 21 billion. Some a young red good ballum, a garbage. And you mean make a seasoned lawyer, Martin Pebu, no committee now. I'm here. I recover 21 billion, so called 21 billion in opposition. Catch a Ghana for no. Chamawu to me is in court, not because of corruption related issues. Most of what I'm saying, that's a fact. And now, Mom, do Mako Jas and Dibiano. Your mom, running your money. But for records, when it comes to corruption issues, NDC can never compare themselves to MPP. No way. No way. And they know it. Ma babam mfie ba ko mfie ibuso nyensanyi da bia corruption asem dama no esumu ntimi nya ho adwuma MPP appointees why na tu kwan apart from Kerofoliata also koya nsa na ban no ebe opposition all the appointees nyina wo mamu ha ntu be ka chetimamfo say yewra ma ba corruption so atia the two typical example kra media ma no kire say and some of the opposition can and you know what you man or muye and you know what you man or muye yet me ton gold a boka $240 million ye misa obia yen kahe Ghana good year ya ton ye ni pakra wa to Ghana good year wo mamu a sabi am na ben a chine say wo de nsa ko bo Ghana man Japade and wo de nsa ka Ghana man sika munya se nyamo kasa se mu giro position no munya se na mu twetwe Ghana fo aso mumma mra ni nya dwuma na munya tobe no mu ba ye nyame adom mu se mu opposition na mu de asem kokota mu yusu tembi se judges ne enan a enan ni nyina di ma MPP it's a MPP judges kangaroo court na asofo ena mu ba yo mampa ni mahama wa panti judges sene aban biala wa panti judges esna aban biala oko supreme court at the same thing appeals court the same thing high court the same thing wa panti sene aban biala enti hula baru na ne de he de no ene de he ye nkasa se sabi ye nya responsible opposition party ye see and the mabu paduma ye nti so bi di sika kofi a sa sika ye nya bi betia fa mabu adwuma and the teachers for a co demonstration mo bo mo sa come am to mo warning ye ma mo nko for 14 months onya katua it is MPP ni bi ti abamu for sa sika ne koya ade na ye nyina ye mpre ne nyi sa sika ne ba ma o man no na teacher ni na wo strike and amomo time no awa charge 14 months onya katua no mfantua nurse ni na wawie national service a otifie besi sa abre ya onya bi enye ye no ye different but the truth of the matter is say abanwei corruption omo ye no o trokra say open chechemu a ye pese di chechemu ni mpo be ma keke pensi da bia mi kasa se mo say NDC for fee say sebi Ghana for mpekasa Ghana for ye din in the same people abamu dia omo wo kukuduro kasa jejejejejeje tietiem kama nanso mu ba abama na omo nkasa na different ni atimamuni na otu abama wa de ba abamu ni o hwe ne se anya radio so na abedi nipa asem ma mani nipa ni ehu sampa ABCD wa fa aban sika nti mlani ni nadi ye de na kogina sendibia atone jena o se ECG nsensem amode ya campaign se rabomia at the Abtalaba. It is a mimic chame lad bear, a coba of Mian in Yirifino. Sassam Nanyano. The current attorney general, he was appointed by his excellency John Dramani Mahama. These facts are there. You can cross check and fact checking. The current attorney general, and I'm also a bomb, one this for I'm also a bomb.
Okay.
Yet your Mahama A+. Say, Ghana buy lawyer Penini. I will bet him million wasem if say I am born here. Say what they bribe 500 million. But see that attorney general to me and for A+.
Say A+ na nkasa be ka say no kan anya no kre.
I'm buying his words. Jodi kaka ye no. Jodi kaka ye no. Me nya sure say that government WhatsApp platform subi. o de oni hobby I believe in you so the uncle your government WhatsApp platform o ka asem a ni abebo kuli wo ho no I ntem na betwe asan because o kan okra kire o man no that is exactly what is going on it must be me on abobo ate say about way corruption related issues are ekoso no it only take care of me as a clean person and a Ghana for benya jidie won mu no more than about 2020 ni abe fight that corruption and you go do ira ye
okay
obi tutorial mu hyen a ode hyen no say me na makoto wi mu hyen na so nipa na wi mu hyen ya na dia na kasa ti baabi we need to investigate such things
why na koto wi mu hyen
just imagine say MPP na tia kuya so and a Gabi Asarocha Dako your man appointment bia on why in the private work or a season lawyer wa ye aduma che and you know it and wakoto play $70 million a black okwa fosu analysis member council let me land analysis fosu akadia some NDC for beka they will call press conference
Ibrahim na koto ne plane I don't know what has that to do with
Kasu yes you see family and friends government
na Ibrahim wa ban
fantastic Gabi NDC for to be the prime minister not Ghana ha
na Ibrahim wa ban
and I'm saying na Ibrahim ayi ya Gabi no wa ban
na say Gabi no ni aban mu
and the day of NDC for to the prime minister sat and one condemn
was man condemn say me condemn
so to say you to Gabi the prime minister all about you Gabi
but then say Ibrahim or a private business
and I'm saying Gabi is not a private business
okay
it is a Gabi and a koto player black okwa for what tiri wo mo a akadia se
na say plane dey ento plane da krope
asima make anya ntem ase dey make can say
nti are you saying say plane na Ibrahim aton e was nka odisika na betu akokku akofo
me nka so ma betu akokku afọ na ahoti a wo ma anyim no ana se akofo da ban na tie akonya so
ana nya akofo da ban na wo
fantastic dey me question bisa wo so wi ma no say aka sembe na ndisi fo beka
okay
because Gabi nya appointee no let me to the prime minister so I don't know ruling country no okay. But sometimes Gabi as prime minister one go top plane one go top private jet bia one top plane but then you no prime minister na ne bra president no what $70 million akoto plane akoto buy am panin the first person on the plane to kwan
na ndi wo uzu 20 wakoto car ma bana me the car to kan where
and am say ye see ye no ani tin ye so nya kwan ye ka bi
all right ye fancy why
me da say
me call na bobacho ba me fast dan from the bros phone service wo mo say wo phone now e kura do person sana don't worry bra ye ton phones ahodo gina e bi o ya so ye phone bi apa bi oba the bros phone service onsa e be ka bi laptops phone glass phone protectors phone covers and power banks ye woni nyina bi so we also gina say ne wo boada ka bros na soro hwa Freya in 0550 981107 and 0543 531524. The broad phone service was a quality, affordable phones and gadgets. Sarah also and Dr. Dawood in hospital for the Dawood Herbal Hospital in Nunina at the Abejaso. One more Dawood 360 capsules, a two sasabro and Siciliari Asi. Sarah also and unya Dawood ointment to 2 general body pains, rheumatism, waist pains, able to asia ama at all. Dawood herbal mixture and no and you'll be an number 2 minutes. Na malaria fever no all sounds no was unya bina on ready san hunyarwa. A real busu be at all do be anti fre. Dawood Herbal Hospital now no more ending command 0244885437 and 0201681717. In Renina, if we Dawood Herbal Hospital, Asamin so Sarah so and at the big family enterprise, yes, bra. And near my opedia says you would damn no fino, Oba was you know, Yasua Hormones, Becoming in Abbey, so per air fridges, TV, air condition, fun. Microwave, blenders, sewing machines, decoders, no wallpapers in here. When you have cooking utensils, how you will be carpet and FA mattresses. Your blind curtains, the colors, and the sizes are holding in will be frames, filling station. I would not say a ho and I don't know Edianum share. A process of human rubber bank a woman. A hot man so the big family enterprise offer 0243920371 and 0244675960. Big family enterprise is a quality. Affordability. I'm watching now.
Yeah, Minya, assemble con honestly. See, I union MPP for opposition can see one into all can call our bread. One say, Minya to say family and friends is not bad. Na sa banya better na kunyom na ɔde appointment akɛse be man abusuafoɔ ne namfofoɔ ne yɛkeka aka ho ɛnyɛ bɔne. Yes, of course. Anka yɛbɛtumi aka sɛ ɛnyɛ bɔne. But do you have to appoint an incompetent person to a vital position like finance ministry? Mabusuani now. Mababa anka me fa wenye bɔne o. Provided say wuni mo adwuma no be wuni yo. Kano for rata. Ministry be na no finance ana mebwa. Enye sikasem. Ehon ye purely technical ministry a o man ni nyina ehon ne gina. Na mampani di ni nua woni mo adwuma akose o. Enye ndisi for na yesi woni mo adwuma o. MPs makoma aduo wotwe ni akire say mampanyini o man ni nyina esenke because of unua ba akon a o ye finance minister. Entizito family and friends no anka enye bado by incompetent family member occupying government position, key position like finance no. Do you see it as bad or not? And hwebe bia MPP esenke wo man ko duru ye na hwebe bia wo man no ye ka ko duru ye because of reckless borrowing and akenoforiata obi a ojiji susu na wo ye investment banker or koye finance minister maniye. Zito was mentioning names obodin we so one more position bia o edin keke na wo bobo enti san microphone no kra na obobo mudin who trust because me board can overrata so ye family and friends no me kire so ye finance minister into better obobo din you don't tell us say nipa no ye dey an appointment ben. So look at the key positions President Akufo-Addo de man nua o appoint ne ba ono ankasa na sinimu ba, and that is what we are condemning say inti Ghana house on apart from President Akufo-Addo ne ba ya o manu tua ne kama na dodode yina no ye nya nipa bi anka ye disappointment be ma no you could have been used it to and you are here defending it again. Ibrahim Mahama de ne de aposa no pa, but I want to tell you emphatically say time I would say Ibrahim Mahama oye billionaire no mfiese ni Infiesi ni what say you rate even African billionaires Ibrahim Mahama account no na mampanyini your friend is Mahama no be the president comforta munyina na Ibrahim Mahama ne construction companies ne box art ne ni ho Ibrahim Mahama private jet ba kwa no asane na ni mu fifra akoto no wa donate amoma no say yemfanya air cargo jet obi oyare o mamu e o se ye di plane di tu kwan bia no o mamba bia including Uzito yemfa no nko ana wonte ya na mate so ne boni a waye ne se wono asan na nimu mfifire Ghana has obi yare na wo se ye fly no abroad na wo ye ordinary person ya wontimi nko high private jet na wontimi nko a ewuo na wo ye nua Ibrahim Mahama timi a donate ni plane o timu se yemfa nko so mo mane nya no cargo air jet nti wadi boni na se ni nua nso akoto ni jet na wo yusu bi nso na wan ko rent private jet and kotua 14,000 pounds sterling per hour to say na President Akufo-Addo etua no na ni nua de na wo yusu for free ya mo man ka no eno nso ye bone ana enti na me ka na say sisi an opposition tana na nkasa no aye dinyama MPP for was ye koton gold ye nkyere ba bia ye koton gold Zito gold nye se bia ponche be ma ya che na ye de ne nam abonten so a ye ko petrol ba wura aton amano gold is traded in the international market. It's gold na your turn on international market. I don't know can say you koton you koko amanone ayeme ye friend people for say muni akire mi koton you koko amanone. Ade aye di no hu dwa amanone no eno so people for position no mo kan ina ne say ye koton you gold ayeme from national chairman ni akire. So you see opposition trana nka sempo na ye din amomo. Okay. Was the chairman wuntumi nye corruption biao. Na ye galamsey awakotu na ye ka ho asem. So let me ask Zito this simple question. Ye nyina to omamu na ye wo forest reserves e da ho no mo a e yo man ni nyina ye nyina japade se ho de ye nkotu agudie wo ho na nipa ba ko a wo ye MPP ni di ni tumi e ko wura mu ko wia sa agudie no fa na ono nko adi ko ye ya is no corruption or how do you define corruption? O man no forest reserve na enye wo dia woni concession ayemfa ma o wakotu agudie bu yenu ye nyina anka yebetima twa ne timba akoto amanone a onko audi afa sika se obotom no you describe that one say anything bad, it is not even corruption. Then what is your understanding of corruption? I don't just get it. Enti mimi hu ne say yes, the MPP will always defend the loot and share because they are beneficiaries of it. Omo time no na corruption bo ye hu ne say ya de bone because there be ITB. And I can PDS no ade be che no yes ya che dollars so sisi ada pa fie yegusu a yeka ye no ye say vice president Dr. Bawumia nso akokra ye mo a spice ye mfa nkoma hajefo ono ankasa nkramufo Dr. Bawumia kramuni wa kra ye mo a asai ya ye koto agu say ye mfa nkoma ni nuanom kramufo mo omuni. All these things to Zito, they were normal in MPP, but I want to challenge him say Sanyum no more to say me di wi menua. Sanyum no more to say yenchi obia no. Menua, mo nfa mo recordings ni na ngu ho. Because I know very well say they are the same people. Yes, say ye chi omo a Zito mu bi san beda no omo ano. West Hunting, when you say a jelly way, you say a MPP mpanfo, they will come and do this one. Okay. And for not doing double standard, you know. Yeah, they see a shushe in same no coffee cup. And I'm also say, ye will be fine. Yes, I see Jelu or Moazito. Don't come and call us witch hunters because you know say mo beba beka. And so this is what I want to leave with.
All right. Meda Honorable Bachiasi, Makozito, but Bamenka's Boys Dance Training Institute. Omo 3 months intensive training. A safety management, fire safety, first aid, and afi urban equipment there, excavator, dump truck, wheel loader, dozer, backhoe, grader, heavy duty mechanics, and afi heavy duty welding. Omo ebechro when now within 3 months. Indiana pay what men can just pick your form. Na also found HMB. Oko a Junasia, Rosal School Complex, a hot and ewo. From 0595 761794 0247 618813 and 0242 536323. Yeah, Zito, I'm into the next 5 minutes. Yes, sir.
Minua Paini Boachi say. Yakoton Ghana Goodia, you know, some say yeka. Oko gold stock exchanger. Every country be a Mudibia hono. You could see them. More gold stock exchange. Baby, a ton ya good deal. Country be a digger who be a no you more as you say cocoa na. But gold 18 tons now your ton any day. I know you who that's a lie. Please write it. True. Kasana metro 18 tons na ya ton ye hu wo ho ene ama experts agana fo akese atron krata right information at the source of the bia ekoton ye gold be si na about what me provide ye mo ton ma individually e Ghana ha be no dache en hwasem beba Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. And some more can find no opposition now. Mobile I suppose him 1-1 a been after. Or don't you among come for or don't you animal Christians? I may come home. The only hope left in Ghana, Dr. Bawumia. I'm telling you for facts. No way a project a few in the home on your corrupt. I'm watching. Meti wasema kan say Kenofuliata ya incompetent and akufa na ba majatum. Ba man pa no tie akonya so ya incompetent da Kenofuliata. Yoro Mahama o ya incompetent actually Kenofuliata. Iti Kenofuliata ya incompetent entina akufa ro fire no no. Ba Yoro Mahama de Ghana for timi fire ni biemu. Oko 2028. But the yes Ghana for say incompetent President Mahama okwa oni ni party ni nyina nko. It is a fact. Sisi the other person munyaka. Mo magana for asuna yo mu cheche duto munyaka. Wan ko red jubilee house amudi sika ko gu o chedi no. E na ko fa you. Penya wo kan. Ya condemn sisi the other person ka sika na gudo obetimi dia bogana for ni bi bosia anya hwekran pipi ni kwa bi bosia ma ne dia ye edadie. Nti ya condemn no. Sami Jamfi yi Dallas free ni kam. Wo betena defend ye. The difference between MPP and the NDC. Sami Jamfi, oye Dallas free ni kamuno, mu defend ye. By ye MPP communicators, ye condemn sisi dada pa. E yo nware sika. E na what ya ka kire me say Behi Mahama, e ye bironia. Sisi dada pa ni crucial se bob, na Behi Mahama no wo hemfa. I'm telling you, sisi dada pa oni ni kru. E sha se ye shipping. E o Ghana, ni ya wo menu. Na Behi Mahama no wo hemfa. And then the Behi Mahama ye bironia. And this opposition Behi Mahama ni dira. And this iba Bama ni diba. The fact I make catch on and say, you Behi Mahama, mo ba bamu ya. And there's gold mining company bi wɔ western region ya yagye afi abɔfo ni sɛm
Fines way.
me ka di na me di ama wo aban ba yagye voter ne ndc ba ya di ama Ibrahim Mahama
I said no to free afoforo.
kaso
Yes.
Otofi afoforo ndc wo opposition no ntimi ntosa ade na ye ka okranche hu Ghana for they are very lenient to NDC party. Me say some as wrong. Some people na wa ban ma. Akona bo bwache. Akaya ne kasa bete ni. Anko be so le agina kasa. Ko se ye bisa say. Yero Mahama o opposition Ibrahim Mahama. Aya on top private jet ni dodo. Dan say ni bra ni be president a na ni sika asem ko adim. And now was top private jet. And o de ba akona ma yesi ntinem. Me ma me a o tin so nsua. There is no Eldrobia ho. Airport to be any so ho. Jame ma me no tin so ho re say ni ko na o de akọ. Since we go mba no beto ama ni sika. Disaka mo tell me ma me o so ho any blekurai. Bechiwa kataba piase. Ani nkura twa ye mo asia mo dwini kokọ akuafo ho a. Akebeli ma mo so wa badaya. On time I said the kokọ akuani anyale.
Oh, Zito.
Caso, listen. On time Panyeweka na me refer no say why you play ni ba kwasi ho
o say
ti nyale e komo niye
o say ni play on the mama no
den o say ambulance sa no kan ye na Caso ye ka ambulance ye den
but they said no Ibrahim onye bone
Caso ambulance ye den
enye
na nipa one didi ya na ba yare o
enye
e kom di kokọ akuafo no
na do ambulance no for buy na no or the best Ghana for the
na do de nye kokọ da dwon
Dabi we see ya japade
me say
o so dia chaw man
Caso
what is the problem
o de chaw man he and am say me na what in so nsua no sa plane on fu bi de me na rehwa ne say o man pani Mahama ni kokoro de akọ Asad first in Wemba ne na
timo
obenya sika tua
me na o ya adwen
enti sa ye de acha o man say na be ya Ghana fo be ya di no de ye di enye di ntina
de na beka wo
de meka wo ho no say e ya de bone say ne bra ba ma na ne sika sem ko anim and then me need damai mines and yaje akodi Ibrahim Mahama ho do your research
takwa damai
mines yaje and akodi Ibrahim Mahama ho under this current government I'm telling you for fact
okay
Caso let's be serious we be ni what ya dere me say ma bobodi mantimi awon ba bi omwo John Shalif Bawa managing director State Housing Company on funny phone on check it Alhaji Hudu Mutali board chairman Ghana Standard Authority Samuel Atta managing director GNPC juicy appointment Joyce Bawa Mutali or your presidential aide to one bra and then mami ba mu ne handbag class handbag asesa and there is the woman I now call radio station not the laptop not the document laptop bag not the documents good these people they think west na ya the first never to chain ni abomu gumba magara for say ko for mo ma diboni mo mamu ha mo den toro ma baji to me
okay
ye program ye ndeda mo ye be magana for say amamu na mo de mo no eye corruption amamu chaba wuntumi or ye mining engineering ayu on one kasa mining company o si su na Ibrahim Mahama na o si so mo ba mu yera Mahama ba mu first step o si chama wuntumi excavators bebre wo mama enyina obi ateye and na masa ba because o ya Ashanti regional chairman of the opposition party anu tiro yan tire ni bibi kakra they can say azumile even admit ndia ene Hanabisu say o ka galamse mo ase mo poison Hanabisu mo na say o mezo o se mo poison and na mi no teta no so ye cross nso ya asa ne ye ba tola bobache mu ba mu 1 year 3 months ni ye twa nso yi saa da be no be tia ka se taro nso sai nti kwa na ye saa bone no ampi wo sunafo ya wo mo brazil confo say ye mpre soldiers for the police for be si na ampi no didida okota ga na mashe bedwam nti ye ka hwe chantina ebi ne nyamo ye chama wuntu enkosi aga
beda sizito Commander Zito na hotel nkan ma menyina ha enna me ho emra sesia na before that na ma menka wo say Rakoff group of companies womo abi womo epono anopai na Rakoff ene na yire lazy womo ze menka ncho Say nia ope bia no for woni kire o ma hweye unya edru Queen Elizabeth supermarket ye wholesale branch in ye bie nia pesa wo to egugu store mu na wo so ton bia no ubetumi aba betobi ye retail shop no so ye bie eno so wo Upper Amanfe Rural Bank nachi oba hon ma nia pesa wo to no maako bia betumi abeto ewo ho Recover Construction and Trading dansi won ne ma nyina ye ton bi ewo tano so ye won krabata ne bi ewo Penakrom Anwiem Takwa ena Cape Town Junction maka ne se awie wo finest hotel in town, serene and conducive atmosphere ena oba obenya. So I'm recommending ediama ahoho adofo enuanom abusia obi biara so for any entrim ewo Queen Elizabeth Hotel 24/7 your security. Your several local and continental dishes in your conference rooms ahodo nyina ewo hon ma oba obenya bebia your meetings ahodo nyina. You was a hero so for 0244878466 and 0534212702. Minina hanane mo homra tisia di entwan komo eso.
Wifey, nesana we active say. Ede kane wo be no amwa ho de nam ho.
Jemi Razabren. Na minya Araba Bazen pills. Edu ma fichi cross wanyo. Etimi come say dwe. Bosumi bi wo no he emaye. Eto da ba etimi basi boom boom boom. Ebi nso ha. Minya tinka bia krasa me no be hia.
Hode ne hami o.
Oh, Araba Bazen pills ba ye. Ejisa haw ni nyina afri ho. Enne moja di me mu afri sane ye. Me moja so ne krojin.
What? Why your best mapa? Na Araba Bazen pills asemu emei hunchu capsules so asye ne mema no pa ma sese de no odwonso 10 pie no wanya hoto de no odwonso anemu ya ne ya ono so ho ato no dwonso emu apaye divided urine hunchu capsules abeyi wa haw nyina afie ne mema so
mira na wo kai last time enka wo ya se ho obazi mu no
asemu akoboso we se dwonso na fumi mu o se me huro hwe be funa ne se me hu se basa de ba bi nsukra ma dwonso via me fisi ma wie no na se kakra kem
wow
sese hunchu capsules you haw nyina firi hokura
Araba Bazen pills ani hunchu capsules ebi wa pharmacy ani chemical shop bi
wo se hwere no potem ho a obenya bi wo Candice License Chemical Store wo se hwere also wo fa Kisi Herbal e wo dwena se Ernestina Herbal e wo se hwebe kwai Junior Saman ani Prince Moses Pharmacy wo sciences SKDA e wo se hwedwa aboso obetuma afre Kulun Ghana Limited e wo 05049066665 0545906665
Kojona Seahorse product no utogu kamu wi a fagaras le chame
ene say wonya tesa me de Seahorse ma hiti promo no aba no me hiti bi emom sandi me mombo free a enye wo ho
hey so what enka me kohwehwe stickers e woni tinim say Seahorse engine oil anasa ne coolant apa bia hiti aka me de no
me ma obia woto Seahorse products egu na fidie mu ati ase fi na de kro Seahorse ma hiti promo aba enti obia to Seahorse products wa enfa ho ne size a woto ye secretary small whatever on one sticker na pharmacy no atwere number code and amount of money ewo ho fra number no kasika ya atwere no bo code no Seahorse fo e check from office na ye no ano no a breaking crime wo sandu mobile money amuru ho akoyikodi
Seahorse ma hit promo wo twa de fa enya fa so pre
sika ne fi 50 Ghana ekosi 5000 Ghana cedis na achade no mu kese pa e ya bobo ya achade ni bi so ye mobile phone iron fan fridges and na TV
na we so de enya free na wo konwa bibia atwa do bia
National Lottery Authority afuaso
na so penteche mu bia friend 0540-424-386 and 0243-218-566 Seahorse Mahiti Promo a peking crime.
All right, we'll have the next 14 more minutes to say goodbye to the show. Now, Commander Zito Ewaha and I pay for the MPP and Honorable Boachi and Ewaha for the NDC. Now, the minority in parliament is demanding answers on the legal grounds for Ghana's collaboration with the United States on airstrikes in Nigeria. Ranking member on Parliament's Foreign Affairs Committee, Samuel Abujinapo, called for an immediate briefing to Parliament. Zito. Near Edahonie.
You see, the standard of foreign affairs for now, above form.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the face of foreign affairs and Kaza is above form. No clear back up because of the current foreign affairs minister.
Okuje to Black.
Oh, yeah. Yemfa man yose montunche. if Omampani Mahama very serious about foreign affairs matters, but now was anke fire. Oh yeah, the statement of the Babon team, you know, can become mine.
Okay.
The statement of the Babon team, you know, or cannot become mine. Say US for Akoto knockouts. I want Nigeria. If I Ghana for Homebay. Na men can say Gazu. If I Ghana for Homebay.
But in so say answer na Nigeria for Saturday never cost no. Nigeria for any Americans no. And a collaborate here. And a sense will be here Ghana so at this argument in Nigeria for no so any Ghana so Kasai.
Kazu.
Yes, sir.
Yet ye baby a dream. A comedy dada.
Tinye Ghana for na kokasa na Americans number no me fa no me say.
Dey me chen say
Nigeria for kasa na two South Americans so me ya dey say.
Security matters a yama no nsem no. Ye ntwe ye hu firi.
Okay.
No kura ba ko pe ya hu odi ni so.
He's talking too much.
Yes.
Okay.
So we monitor na ni nsem a odi ban nyina no be say odi beto wa na amanfo ahase edi na tem.
Yes, I interviewed the man this morning. He was saying say okuja to ya talkative.
Oyiwa mantie mpo oyiwa nti ye besere foreign affairs no eno ne the image of the country in opposition there utimi twa ntro bi aye ne ope unya tumi we na unya appointment a then one ma sector ho image no aye very high ye ma me shele ayokobotwi minim se woni mine pa ye fa mayo se monto nchen enne ba bia ma me na rise akwa kodu because of say no, you're foreign minister no. Yes. Yes. Yes, I phone. Maybe yanka say so any crank da bia ron ka oba nkotena ho.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah. Because me hwe ma abedi foreign ministry ho esoko na me hwe memo ma bana Euroku jota bra kwa na da Roma. Adabraka. O mi so ni mtotwa pa yi. Oh yes, adie no to get that appointment. Na mo video bi a na ote onua TV. Na o kan sem bi about sa ya operation loot and shey hu asem ya say loot and the no. And I sent you say the oye die and this ba power na be foreign minister. Captain Smart o catch and direct. And am pampa and this ba ben no be foreign minister. But me hu bi a wa ye yes ronko a dig Ghana image. To the extent say obia ebon abaso da bi me nka say waye bibi nso asabi onye bibi kakra na mom ne na ne doso sene ne wo ye no nti minority e question na minority will be right so mo be question no hwe Iran ne ayi fon tokoya bi ba bai foreign minister no na ne okotum enu ko sisen e fa wo ho omo na manyo mu dwa no mudi and I want to two knockouts. Now you see, JTM ni we me wan say in opposition. That Russia Ukraine war na sifoni. No you be a wo yam pipi ni kura na o ka bi onya akoro bebo. Se nkofo no manyo ma sem no mo ye, emfa ye Ghana fo ho. Na fe ba ne say, e na Nigeria ne America nyo ma sem. Ni e be fall for Ghana. E ba ne say, e na Iran, any Israel, any US, any o ma sem. Now bi the double standard of politics no ye besre no ye dwen ye ho ne kokwa akuafo ho me ete onya ni sika emfiri ni kokko yemu no enkoka meka no ama topa ye bia sebi ensefata bia nkoto na fuom obeso nya asudwe no de ye na afuo ni kakra de twen ye raba omia no ba unnecessary for edwen omo ho teachers for edwen omo